say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't get anything if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was
Good morning, good morning.
99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome in. Welcome. Good to see you guys, man. Showtime. White Shark, I see you. All right. Welcome in, everybody. Welcome in. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. All right, my friends, we're back. How you doing? What's the good word? What's the good word? Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are well. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome in. Welcome. Yeah, what up, Louis G is in the building. What up, Louis G? What up, LeGrand? Big LeGrand in the house. Got a trade here. Zipper's in the building. What up, Zipper? What up, Scott Blackwood? What up, Dominic? Got a trades in the house. Nightbot's here bright and early. What up, Nightbot? Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, PM Magnifico? Is it me or does Z Gamer always PM Magnifico always follows Z Gamer? I feel like I'm always saying Z Gamer's in the house. There's PM Magnifico. What up, ladies and gents? Good morning, Richard Lewis. What's up, brother? George VDM is in the building. What up, George? What up, Yanosh? What up, Ecom Dre? Andrew, what up, brother? What's good? What's good? What's up, J Mac? What's up, Purpose? Good morning, George Pope. More pips for days. What's good? What's good? What up, everyone? What up, Chala? Good to see you, brother. What up, YOLO Trader? YOLO Trader in the house. SG80 in the building. Buzzblab, I see you. I'm gonna update you guys here in a minute about the competition and how everything is going on day 2 of the 1v1s here. What up, Jason Shorts? What up, Jamil? Traders X in the building. Throwing 8s around. Let's go. What up, Magnus? Good morning, Mr. Lopez. Forex Guru. How you doing? Louis G, no work today? Okay. Oh man, living that trader life. I see you. All right. Hey, good morning, Susanna, or good afternoon. Jason C in the house. What up, Jason? Good morning, Tamra. Good morning, everyone. Let me just share my screen, and then we're gonna. Oh, I think we're good. Yeah, we're sharing. We're sharing already. All right. Nick Stewart's ahead of the game here today. Yeah, let's go ahead and get the day started. Let me lower the music a bit. Let's see who's on top. Yeah, I'll give you guys an update pretty soon here. on the competition. But welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. As you guys settle in here, give the stream a like. I want to pray for you guys really quick. I'm just thankful to be here, man. So I'm happy. I want to give thanks to the Lord who really made this day for us to rejoice and to be blessed in. So let's go ahead and pray together, and we'll get the day started. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you. We thank you for that new day, for that gratitude that's within our heart, Lord. We know that with that gratitude comes great abundance. So we thank you for it in advance. I pray a blessing over your people today. I pray that they have ears to hear today, Lord. Don't let it go by them anymore. Don't let them ignore the fact that they know what they need to do, Lord. Help them, motivate them, inspire them, kick them in the butt, Lord, whatever you got to do to get them going, Father. I thank you for using me to potentially spin the wheels on them and just share some of my heart and of what you have called me to do and called me to speak life into people. So I thank you for giving me that opportunity to do today. And Lord, I just pray a blessing, a mighty blessing, Lord, over your people in and out of the live stream today. So we thank you for it. We thank you for dwelling amongst us here, and we just give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Hallelujah. Amen. Ain't it great? Ain't it great that we can cast it all on the Lord, that we can trust in the Lord, that we can know deep down that we don't have to do this by ourselves, nor can we, man. How does that work, right? When we try and do everything on our own, but when we put our burdens and we put our cast our worries, right, and our anxieties and our just our worldly weaknesses onto the Lord, he takes them and makes them strength, man. So what a beautiful thing to celebrate here today. So praise God. Glory to the Father, and let's go ahead and get the day started here, man. Party time. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on in the news. Today is the 17th of July here. So we got Wednesday in front of us here, the 17th of July. And we've got some yellow/orange folders, nothing too crazy coming out here today. Today's going to be our more of like our slower day. We're all up in the news, that's for sure, but nothing too crazy, right? No high impact news. Just some regular stuff here. So that's what we got going on here today. Nothing in the, CAD or anything like that. So we don't have much to really kind of step aside from today. So we're pretty open to each and every candle that comes about, and prints here today. So that's pretty much what we got going on in the news, and I think that's it. Yeah, let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis. Let's get the day started. Let's see how we can get a read on price and kind of observe what's going on here and see if we can partake in anything at any point over the next 7, 8, 9, 10, about 3 hours, all right? So let's go ahead and get started. Let's do a breakdown. If you guys haven't liked the stream, you know the vibes, man. Give the stream a like. Shelly, tell him to give the stream a like. Pay the fee. Top-down analysis coming, man. Yeah. We've had so many damn W's in the markets. We forgot to hit the W's in the chat, man. Wada Trade, Was Wab, USD. All right. Anyway, all right. No more messing around. Let's go ahead and get down to business here. Let's take a look at the charts and let's see what we got going on. We've had some crazy stuff happen over the last 24 hours since we've last sat down here together. So let's go ahead and take a look at it here. So looking at the weekly, right? Let's just take a look at the weekly just so we can kind of get a read on what's happening. We're midway through the week here, and we know that we're starting to break out of this consolidation, right? Let's run it back a little bit. Let's kind of track back. We got a little bit of time here. We know that we were in this range, right? We had this nasty range below here where price had made an all-time high, and you were just consolidating. Look at all this consolidation throughout this range. This was weeks of consolidation. If you guys remember, we were trading this, and then all of a sudden we were able to get a candle to poke his head up, close outside of the range, and then that's when we went ahead and filled that wick to the left hand side, and then we broke that high, right? So then we came back, we pulled back for a week or so, 2 weeks, and then we continued juicing up, right? And then we kind of just started consolidating. We started consolidating in this white box here. This was our all-time high. Yesterday, we just came up and demolished it, right? So we pushed up with this weekly candle here on Tuesday. So the second day of the week, we broke the highs. So now it's really all about what does this next candle or what does this current candle want to do here, right? We have no idea where it wants to go, if it wants to go up. There's nothing for us to look for. When we look this way, we don't see anything, right? So this was really the big target. At this point now, this is your target, right? That high becomes your new target here, wherever, if you're taking buys, right? So that high is 24.82. That's our only target here today for buys, right? So if we do take buys and we push through 82, then at that point, the only thing left to do is just trail your stops, and you don't know where price is going, but you're going, right? So you just trail your stops at that point. We'll see what happens if we do break that high. Almost every time we've broken highs, we've pushed right back down. So we'll see if that's the case here this week, but there's still about 2 days, really 3 days left in the overall candle here. And we're going to keep a close eye on what we do over those next 2 or 3 days here. So let's go ahead and see what we could do for today. Let's scale down to the daily time frame. We see that the daily candle did close with no top wick there, right? So we did close with no top wick. We did close above resistance, but again, that doesn't mean anything because there isn't anything to the left hand side, right? So we know we're gonna have to go back to our understanding of candles, right, and our understanding of price action. So we know that this candle closed with no top wick. We know that means that there's a lower probability that we'll move up. Typically, we're going to go up, we're going to look for range, we're not going to find it, we're going to come back down, and that's ideally, or pretty much what this candle here is currently doing. It pushed up, can't find anything to target, and now it's starting to pull back down here. So let's go ahead and see what the 4-hour candle looks like. 4-hour candles have created some sort of support last night, and it looks like we have just been making a bottom wick, right? So we're just making a bottom wick on this candle. That's all we could really say as of right now. This candle can easily push back up, flip, break the high, and then fill that wick there, and then continue on to who knows where. So we are not fully bearish yet, but we are starting to see signs of struggle based off of the daily closing with no top wick right here, and then the last few 4-hour candles really kind of not being able to do much. And now if this guy closes below or breaks the low, that's when you should see a little bit of a reverse or flip in direction at that point. So let's go ahead and see if the 1 hour is telling the story. Taking a look at the 1 hour, we have a range here now. So we have a support, we also have a resistance, and this is our current range, right? So this is the range that we're trading in on the 1 hour time frame. This is going to be a 97 pip range. Damn. So we're going to have to find to see how we can finagle this range a little bit, right? Finagle this and see how we can take some positions. Let's go see what this high looks like. Let's see what these lows look like on the 30-minute time frame. So still nothing. Still can't make any adjustments. 15. Yeah. I like this 30-minute 1 hour structure a lot better. The 1 hour is probably the best here today. I think what we can potentially look at, let me just take a look at this range here. Yeah, I mean, as long as you remain below this level here, right? So sells are pretty clean below here, but you have to remain below. If we close back in the range, then it's wiped off, right? We can't take any sells at that point. There may be some selling opportunities because there is it's like a 79 pip range coming down. So that's open for, I'm gonna leave myself open for that idea potentially here today. But other than that, yeah, we gotta wait for some more price action. The hour is really the only time frame that looks semi good here today. But it's a 75 pip range, right? So we want to see if we can, or 90 pip range. So we really want to see what we can do within it. I'm going to keep an eye on this level here, 24.71 for a little bit. And I think if you do remain below there, ideally I would like to see candles look like this though, right? Another one come up, maybe a closure back below, and then possibly take some sells from that, off of that resistance right there, especially if the 4 hour starts flipping and trying to break the low and all that good stuff. So I'm going to keep an eye on the 4 hour here and the 30-minute time frame. The good part about the closure below is we break the 4 hour lows, previous 4 hour lows at that point. So that might be the vibe here for me today. Wait for a closure below here, or even here, right? But I think this is fine. This is about a 35 pip range. Oh, I'm sorry, 60. 165 to, oh yeah, wow, 60 pip range here. So yeah, that's going to be what I'm looking for today. So potential sells below 65 and then potential buys, man. Yeah, potential buy. If we close back above here, there are potential buys today, right? Because we are very, very bullish here. So we'll see what happens. Right now, we're just kind of stuck in this retest area. So we'll see if we can actually close bullish above it like we did here. And then maybe NY Open can take us back up. So that's probably what I'm going to look for. Maybe even... yeah, I would say right there. Yeah, buys above 49 or 69 here and then sells below 65. Yeah. Yeah, we got a closure above. You've got pretty decent range moving up. It's going to be about a 60, 65 pip range. Yeah, and that would basically be a little fake out below the level there. That's it. That's it. We don't have much to play with moving up, but we do have this clean candle right here to entertain, so we'll see what happens. Cool. So this is going to be a no trade range for me. Let's make it purple. Let's clone it. No trade range. Yeah, sells are a little messy too, man. Sells are a little messy, not gonna lie. Yeah. Yeah, I like the hourly structure here. We're probably going to need NY Open to come in and really bring us volume so I can be confident in actually pushing through this. So we'll see what happens. The hour candle closes. An hour celery would be ideal here. And we can go ahead and fill that wick during NY Open for, 8 a.m. So if you do close below, I think 8 a.m. could look something like this. Come down and, 8 to 9 could look like that. And that would pull the 4-hour candle back as well. And that would kind of lead to our idea of this daily candle closing with no top wick and us beginning to pull back. Cool. So that's it. 1 hour time frame looks the best. Everything else is a bit choppy. I'm gonna sit tight here and wait for a closure in about 30 minutes. Yes, that's it. That's it. Targets are pretty clean here. Pretty clean today. Yeah, we got range, but we got to get through. This is very messy down here. Very, very messy. Below 59 is the best sells here today. But the issue is that is 100 pips from current price. Right? 100 pips from current price action. So, not going to force anything, but also going to get a little aggressive. What up, Yogi? How you doing? What up, Zoomers? Let's move the chat over here. Elites, that's a Zoom call right there, man. Couple elites, couple mods. Holy. Insane. Good morning, 11th hour. What's good? What's good? What do I think of 2464 support? Yeah, I think it's there for sure. I think the best sells are, honestly, I think the best sells today are below 59 here. Yeah, this is tough. This is tough. That's why I'm looking at the 1 hour here. Because if I'm going to take a trade based off the 1 hour, then that means that I'm going to wait on the 1 hour closure, right? And that means I'm going to wait on the 1 hour candle, and that means I'm going to manage based off the 1 hour. So the 1 hour should have volume in it, and it may get choked up a bit, right, in this area on the lower time frames, but ideally it should be able to push through, tap into where we want it to, and fill that, support, especially if you get like a celery play here. Yeah, we have nice ranges, but it's not right where we would like them, right? Ideally, we would love to see, our first closure below here today be a nice clean range, but it's not, it's not. So keep that in mind if you are going to trade that range there. Lower your size a little bit, and yeah, and wait for volume. Wait for volume. What up, B21? B_21. Good evening, my young and enthusiastic traders. Good evening. Check charts for stream. Okay, cool. We'll check it in a second. Good morning, C. Melly. Good morning, Lee. Sunboy Comedy. I see it. Crazy. I was number 5 on Wednesday when I started the trading competition. I was trying to chase the trades, trying to get in first place, and now I didn't make the top 32. Trading psychology is a real thing. Yes, man. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. So, by the way, 2 traders breached their account yesterday. So you guys, man, you guys just let your opponent just walk into round 2. You know, I'm encouraging y'all to really take this serious, man. Like, don't give your component an easy just layup. Like 2 guys just got lucky. They automatically were able to walk into without even dirt on the uniform. Didn't even sweat. You know, don't breach the accounts, man. You know, treat this serious. There's a big prize at the end of it. So you made it. You beat out 800 plus people. Right now it's time to play. You guys play to win, or you know, what are y'all doing? How you doing? Play to win. Play to win, bro. Play to win. All right. Yeah, because we don't want to give people easy victories right into round 2. I mean, these guys are laughing. They're like smiling. You know, no, they didn't even get dirty. It's like going into a fight and they didn't even take a hit. What up, TK? Good morning. Can I still join now? No, but we'll do this again. We'll have some fun doing it. Play to win, man. Play to win. So yeah. So basically we started yesterday. So traders now are going to compete against another trader. You guys don't actually, now you do know who it is. Now you do know who your opponents are, because I put like a bootleg looking bracket in there. I'll get it all fixed up, make it look nice, or actually Bryson from Top 1 will fix it up and get it all nice. But yeah, if you go into the Top 1 channel, you'll see it there. Those are the matchups. And if you guys want to talk to each other, go ahead. Do you? Whatever your strategy is. Maybe you wanna Michael Jordan him and talk in his ear a little bit. I don't know, but XAUUSD in the house. What up, XAUUSD? Can we do it on C-Trader? Probably not, because let me give you like behind the scenes business talk real quick. So all those accounts, right? So when you own a funding company, right? So every time someone gets an account, you pay monthly for that account, right? So just think of it. I don't know the exact numbers, but just let's pretend that C-Trader is $5 a month, Trade Locker is $5 a month, but Match Trade is $1 or $2, right? So that's why anytime you guys get a giveaway account or we do the competition accounts, we use Match Trader, because as a business, it's going to cost them less to run those accounts. So when you get funded, it's a different story. Like if you're a paying customer, you pick whatever you want and they'll pay for it. You know, they'll eat it. But for the giveaway and the competition, and I get it. I would do that too. They use Match Trader. Yeah, a little trash talking to your opponent. Can we take buys on the 30 closure if it potentially closes above here, which doesn't look like it's gonna. Oh, maybe it is. Yeah, these aren't too bad, man. These are not too bad. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour still open. You're at support. You ran down. 4 hours potentially pulling back to move up. 30-minute close back above the range here. Yeah, this ain't bad. If we get a bottom wick, there might be something here for me. How can I see who my opponent is? Go to the Top 1. I'm sorry, go to the Top 1 channel in Discord, not Top 1 itself. Yeah, I would like to do that. I would maybe if there was like a buy-in or something, and then definitely we can probably get like C-Trader. So that way that buy-in can maybe go to providing for the accounts, and then maybe we could do some sort of like charity event with the rest of the money. Yeah. Yeah, we could discuss that. Engineer 14 in the house. I'd be down to do like a cheap buy-in. That way everyone can use like C-Trader. Have a little bit of a better platform. And then whatever's left over after the 5 weeks, we just give it away. Yeah, if we get a bottom wick here, I'm pretty interested in this this move. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Hello, Nick. Yo, what's good? What up, Stevie Mac? C-Trader's down? Oh, damn. Speaking about C-Trader, maybe we'll use Trade Locker instead. I don't know about that buy-in. How valid are the buys? I think they're pretty decent here. If you get a bottom wick, we should be good. We also closed back above this range here. Right? And look what happened last time. You know, we closed above and price pushed up. So I still need a bottom wick though. If we can get a bottom wick, that'd be great. If not, if no bottom wick, no entry for me. C-Trader down. Is that the Eagle 4000 in action? Yes. Nah, the Jaguar one's not ready yet. That's still newly developed. What up, how do you say? I really want to get this name down. Babby Do Life or Babadoo Life? I don't know, man. Babby, spell it or somehow try and give me the correct pronunciation, please. Discord ID, yeah. Whoever messaged you, it wasn't me. I promise. It reminds me of like Yabba Dabba Doo. Scooby Doo. What about GJ? Send me a chart. Send me a chart and charts for stream, and we'll take a look at GJ. Let's take a look at charts for stream real quick. I'm gonna leave my Zoom chat open, Zoomers. Sorry, sometimes I close it and then get distracted. Let me just leave it here. You guys can hear the music. I got the music all right for you guys today. Nice volume. All right, let's check charts for stream. Oh, by the way, I took a loss here yesterday. I got smoked after the stream. I think it was here. I mean, I didn't get smoked, but I took a fade position. Yeah, I think it was this one. What time was this? 10:30. Yeah. So took the fade here. Stops were kept above the high, and nah, man, no bueno. No bueno. But then I took it again here and ended up taking a W. Yeah, didn't work out. Did not work out. Was not fading. Yeah, that was the trade yesterday. That I took a sell. Basically, I took a sell right here, got tapped in, and just boink, stops got hit right away. Yeah, this one was pretty good. So this one I took the fade, closed partials around these levels. The next one ended up coming down too, but I was scared of gold yesterday, man. I was scared of gold. I literally booked the last minute tea time and just dipped out. I'm like, I don't even want to be available to even look at this thing. So, oh, by the way, yesterday, I played the best game of my life. The best. See, Melly, man, you would have been impressed. Hit my first birdie yesterday too. Yeah, first birdie, and the birdie was on a mulligan. Does that count? Yeah, right? I mean, I used my one and only mulligan and popped the birdie on that one. How you doing? Told Joey Stu, nobody knows nothing. No one knows nothing. Charts for stream. Let's see. All right, so we got some gold cells here. Hey, that's not a birdie. Hey. All right, pretend I told you it was on the mulligan shot. All right, let's look at these. Let's look at some trades. Let's see what we can learn. We've got about 20 minutes left for NY Open. There is no bottom wick on this candle. So yeah, just gonna wait here. Let's see what we can learn from some other traders on some wins and some losses. And oh, a mulligan is when you take your first shot. And so the way we play is we use one mulligan a game. So if you take your first shot that you tee off of and you didn't like that shot, you have one hole, you have an opportunity to redo it. So that hole, and to be honest, my first shot wasn't that bad, but I just knew I had a better shot in me, right? So yeah, so I took the mully on that one, and Joe took his mulligan on that one too, which is pretty funny. And yeah, that's where the birdie came from. All right, let's take a look here. So we got the booby trap candle. All right, let's see. So, okay, perfect right here. So 4 hour was rejecting the 30-minute and 1 hour form bearish candles, waited for range 2 sells. Booby trap, very good. Setup formed, entered on the break of the low, pre-London volume pushed, clean range to the left. Perfect. So you didn't bite on these sells because everything was bearish but rejecting, waited for that range 2, spotted the celery play, you had clean traffic to the left, you had pre-London volume coming in. Perfect. Great trade. So some of you guys have pointed out to me, and I think I've witnessed this a little bit myself. I can't act on it yet, but I will start to observe it more, right? This candle here, any candle for that matter, like yesterday's candle at 9:30 closing with no top wick. Look, that's one of the hard rules for me. I can't get past seeing it not work out so many times, right? To take a buy when a candle closes with no top wick, or a sell when candle closes with no bottom wick. So until I can truly convince myself through data, then maybe I will start to take sometimes those trades with very low risk during high times of volume. But as of right now, that's like a hard no for me. I'll continue to observe it, and maybe there's something I can learn, right? Maybe there's something that says, okay, well, when there's high volume coming in, or when this is the case and that is the case, then maybe we can begin to execute. But until I see that over and over with my own eyes, I cannot pull the trigger there. And then once I see it over and over, that's when I'll begin to throw a little bit of size on it and begin to sample size it, practice it, and collect data on it. So just to give you guys a heads up there. So like this one here worked out, right? And there's no bottom wick on this candle here. So that's why I'm thinking about it now, right? And then also yesterday's 9:30 candle, which we wanted to take a buy on so bad, but just couldn't do it, right? Because there was no top wick. So I'll keep you guys posted on my journey within all that. And yeah. All right, let's see. So we got gold buys during London session. So the fade / impulse, 15-minute tap to target and nailed. Okay, close below. Okay, hold on. Let me find you here. So 15-minute tap to target. Which one? Up or down? This one? This one. Tap target. Okay. Close below support. Okay. 15 was also, it was London Open, entered right there, entered on the second position. 15-minute booby traps. Okay, so you added another one. All right, so okay, cool. So first entry is here on the break of this high. 15 tap support. First entry is taken back here, anticipating the fake out. He hangs out in, break even, draw down for a little bit, and then he sees a new opportunity. Second entry. Yeah, this is the only time I'll add positions to trades as well, is when we have a brand new opportunity. So it's like as if we weren't in the first trade, that new opportunity comes, and then then I would add that second position just like AU shear. So yeah, and then the push up, very nice. TP1 targeting those highs, lovely. Yeah, gold right now, any bullish move on gold, just literally trail your stop. Just trail it. Yeah, I took some buys last night too, just trailed my stops, and yeah, I got hit like I think like 40 pips in profit. Okay, let's take a look here. London buys. So these are London buys, 30-minute chart. Let's see. In one of the simulations, Raja has explained he takes on candles with no wick. Difference is when the candle closes with no wick inside the range or in the trend. Okay, cool. Yeah. I'll keep that in mind. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got here. So this is going to be last few 1 hour candles are very bearish. Okay, I was looking for a breakout, but since the price didn't provide good entry points, I changed my bias for a fake out. Okay, meaning price went, okay, I see, close below to the left. All right, increase breakout, next 30-minute closure back in the range. All right, this guy right here, giving a fake out. All right, next 30-minute broke the previous candle highs, perfect. At the same time, respected the lows. All right, and best thing was close bearish. Okay, yeah, nice execution on the break of the high, perfect. Yeah, nice celery play there too. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, I think this same exact trade, lovely. Good job, PM Magnifico. All right, let's see Traders X here. So Traders X says the daily was bullish, 4 hour was bearish. My idea was based on the fake out, and I was looking to sell into the exhaustion candle. My first target was to take out the low. That candle took a bottom wick. Okay, I got stopped out, but I feel like I should have placed my stop loss higher. What could I have done better? Let's see here. So entry was here, stops. Yeah, I think you could have been a little higher. Definitely a little bit higher. I think you might have gotten, when was that? That was a little earlier today. This was 6:13 a.m. Yeah, or just avoided the range. You know what I mean, bro? I know it was clean. It was clean, right? But so bullish and very, very choppy in here. Yeah, that's why I'm a little hesitant to trade this range myself here today. Yeah, because you see how what we're doing here? We're just nasty. See how I have a no trade range here? So I just think that was it. I just think it was the range there that really stopped price. Other than that, it was a good idea. You did have this clean range, right? You had clean candle here, but there's just too much going on, right? All over here that really, especially after the big move already happened, to take the sells there. So I think that was it. Just a nasty area, tight range. Price couldn't go any further. Let's see. Oh, AB Mike. Holy. All right, let's see AB Mike. A bearish day on Monday. Oh, okay. Price was consolidating before NYSE open. Grab liquidity, coming down. Tuesday lows, 15-minute into the NYSE open. Price grab liquidity. Oh, this was AB Mike's famous NASDAQ trade yesterday, right? Yeah. So the 1 minute, 5-minute key supports. Okay, retest and rejection on the previous support. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. Nice. Ripping the 1 minute like he's down in Manhattan. Holy. Sheesh. Ripping the 1 minute like he's in Manhattan on the stock exchange. Damn. How we doing here on this candle? No bottom wick, huh? No bottom wick. He's in the city with Hunk. All right, let's take a look at another one here. This is 10:15. This was the fade. This was yesterday, right? On the 17th. Oh, that's today. When was this? 10:15 candle. I'm guessing that was. I'm not sure. Close partials at this point. Let's see. Enter on the break of the lows. Okay, or on the flip there. Target tap. TP. Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice clean range coming down. So this was the move. Yeah. I think this was the move, and then it started to slow up right here in this range, and then now we're over here. So you see how it kind of slowed up here and then kind of got back into this consolidation range, and now we're here. So it's a tough range coming down. It really is. Yeah, good move though. Nice onion play. Let's see. Wow, we got a lot of charts in here today. Sheesh, making me work. Making me work. All right, let's see what we can learn from this one. So we got the fade. All right, this was daily bullish, 4-hour bullish. Okay, I anticipated the formation of the new 4-hour candle wick since we were very bullish. Entry was at 5H01. Wick fill, 1-hour wick fill is the target. Close 20. Okay, cool. I can understand that, right? So okay, so you were targeting the wick. Fade position, very nice. Yeah, that's an all right, that's a savage trade right there, not gonna lie. That's a savage fade right there. Yeah, good job, man, good job. Let's see. Okay, I'm not gonna read the ones that don't have any lettering on it. I'm just gonna read the ones that have actual descriptions. If you guys want us to break them down, just leave us some like all these have little notes on it. Yeah, great job everyone. Good job, good trades. If you guys have any more, post it in the chat. We'll get to it throughout the stream. Yeah, that's true, George Poe. Yup. You know, ideally you guys want help, right? You don't want me to sit here and entertain you, right? And make you laugh and tell you funny stories, and I mean all that stuff's great, but we want to make money, right? So we need to learn. So don't be afraid to send your charts to I would bug the daylights out of my mentor. I wanted to bug him, so I wanted to be a bug. I wanted to bug him so much he had no choice but to just help me, right? So use me, man. Use me to become successful. Use me. Just right, TK? What up, Pablo? What's good? Yeah, even Raja. I be bugging Raja too in his DMs from time to time. I don't care, man. I need to get the nuggets. When I'm hungry, I gotta get them nuggets. How you doing, DT Gamer? Okay, so what are we doing here? Pulling back now on the 15. All right. Yeah, I used to hear closed mouths don't get fed. Closed mouths don't get fed. What up, Mike Goat? Today was good. Asian session keeps pumping. Yeah, man. Pump it. Shy people don't. Yeah, you don't want to be shy, man. You don't want to be shy. And please, when you bring your kids around people and you say, "Hey, Billy, how you doing? Say hi to Aunt Sally." Don't say, "Well, Billy's shy." Come on, man. Come on. Stop coddling these kids. Billy ain't shy. Billy's a top G. That's what you need to say to Sally. Hey, look, Sally, Billy here, he's a top G. Tell him, Billy. Tell him you're a top G. Tell Sally you're a top G, Billy. You know what I mean? Too many people got low self-esteem, comparison, and we grow up with this. And yeah. Ugh. How do I share my chart? You can join if you're not in the Discord, you can join the Discord and then go over to the Charts for Stream channel. And then you can post the chart right there. Just make sure to leave a couple notes there for me and for the rest of the people to see and learn from. Billy's a 2-year-old top G. Watch a playbook 2.0. Oh, nice. On 2x, yeah. You guys should run 2.0. Not the boot camp, the playbook video on like higher speed. Yeah, get it done quick. Will we get the top 16 on Friday? Yeah. Not on today. We won't have 16 until Friday. So now there's a competition going on from yesterday not Friday, all the way till Monday. So those of you guys that are in, you guys are now in from, you guys are competing against another trader. If you want to know what trader you're competing against, head over to the Discord and go to the top 1 channel, and then you'll see it right here. So come on up, and this is the brackets right here. So these are who are in. So shout out to all you guys, by the way. Congratulations, job well done. You guys traded better than 829 people, right? Out of 829 people, these are your 32, right? These are your top stars here. So shout out to you guys. Unfortunately, the 1 and 2 seed, the 1 seed, and I'm not sure what Oki was, but these two have breached their accounts. So Caleb and Baminit, you guys get to advance into round 2 basically for free. So you guys get to walk into round 2 without any dirt on your uniform, and yeah, enjoy it. So don't give these guys free passes, man. Don't give anyone a free walk into the next round, right? Trade well, trade smart. Focus on the longer term game, right? The 1 week down the road. If you can just say, hey, I'm just going to trade the playbook, trade to the best of my ability up until Monday, guess what? The other guy, he probably ain't talking like that. He probably ain't talking like that. He's probably, trying to get it done, trying to win, trading based off emotions. Composure, gang. Composure. You got to stay composed in this, right? Anyone can go, right? The top leader of the entire free tryout is not even in this 32 list, right? So you have to understand, this is anyone's game. Anyone's game still. Yeah. So yeah, Baminit and Caleb, you guys can stop trading. You guys have moved on. So you guys have moved into the second round. Congratulations. And the rest of you guys are still in competition till Monday. Yabba dabba doo. C-Trader is down for maintenance. Okay, C-Trader is down for maintenance, everyone. So just hold on to your hat. You'll be all right. Give it a few minutes. There's absolutely nothing you can do, right? Nothing you can do by complaining and worrying and getting all anxious. Just chill out, man. Take a couple breaths, relax. C-Trader will be back in no time. Yeah, we'll continue to do these tournaments. We want to keep allowing people to shine, right? I want you guys to know, by the way, like this was also an opportunity. I wanted some of you guys to see what you could do when you took the limits off. When you took the a lot of people will compete at a higher and better level over a trophy or a competition than they will for freedom, right? Because they understand that I can give them that account. They have no doubts that if they win, I'll give them the account, right? But they do have doubts that freedom may not truly be for them. And that's where this happens, right? And that's where we really encourage you to believe in yourself and really speak good over you, right? And good thoughts and good words, because you can do this, man. Doesn't matter where you're from, like what you grew up doing, what your parents' status quo is, what your current status quo is. You can change your life. All right, you can change your life. Just know that you're worthy of it, or you're worthy, and you can get the job done. Missed out on really good setups because C-Trader is down. It's all right, man. Trust me. There'll be more really good setups. That's the cool part about it. I think I heard someone say there's going to be some more good setups later, and then there might be some more good setups tomorrow, and more good setups the next day, and then even Friday, and then there won't be any good setups on Saturday or Sunday, but I heard there'll be more next week too. So don't worry about it, man. You'll be all right. Gonna guess who? Yeah, some of y'all are betting now. Some of y'all got inside bets. Hey man, I'll put 50 on a. Yeah. How to get in the tournament? We already passed that, so you get into the next one. We'll let you know when the next one's up. Yeah, I know it's a little frustrating. Anytime things are a little frustrating, guess what? You have the opportunity now to practice that composure. Ain't it great? Ain't it freaking great? Anytime you're going through a storm, you have opportunity to exercise faith. Anytime you're being frustrated, you have opportunity to exercise composure. I mean, life is good. What up, Nikki? Good morning. Anytime you get a candle close and no top wick, you get to practice discipline. Very frustrating. Very frustrating. But growth is frustrating. You know, when you grow a muscle, when you grow, if you're growing your biceps, you've got to frustrate the muscle, right? You've got to put stress on it. You've got to put, anxiety on it, right? So, it is what it is. You gotta look at life with the glass half full, man. Take a sip. Yo, I never thought of that, bro. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. Did you miss any air? Yeah, sure. But guess what? There's more air. Yo. Air equals trades. TK. How does one use his brain in such a manner as that guy TK, man? Holy.
To look at that.
Damn. Yo, what up, Josh? Hey man, you too. 8H. Bless you, brother. There's stress on my life now. Does that mean how that you're gonna grow? Depends how you handle it. Depends how you see it. Are you looking at life with the glass half full or a half empty? All right. Stress is either gonna take you down or build you up. Slight edge, brother. Slight edge. And a lot of times when things are really looking detrimental in the physical, rest assured, because there's a spiritual victory in the process. You just don't see it, right? You just don't see it just yet. Life is good, PM Magnifico. Right? Anytime things aren't going that well in the physical, like you're feeling defeated, a lot of times there's a spiritual victory right on the way. Right on the way. Look at the Messiah, right? Was that a physical struggle or what? Getting whipped and beat and having to carry a cross and do all that. But what was it doing? It was setting the spiritual up, right? For a massive victory, man. It is finished. The biggest victory that the world has ever seen. Holy. Sheesh. Let stress build you up. Yeah, there you go. Yep. You got to know how to harness stress. Your mind is a very powerful tool. All right, let's see what's happening here. No bottom wick. Let's go ahead and look at the 4-hour candle. 4 hours still struggling around here. 1 hour is beginning to move down. We got 27 seconds. I would like to see how this candle closes. 30-minute. Yeah, let's see what's good. NY Open coming up here. Three, two, one. All right, 1 hour candle has closed above here. So we have closed above on the 1 hour. 15-minute closed bearish with no bottom wick, which is nice. 30 minutes, the only one that I don't really like. 30-minute and the 4 hour when it comes to the buys here. Or actually, the 4 hour looks pretty good. So yeah, same deal. We got a bottom wick. I'm interested. You could do it, Josh. Waiting is hard. You're in the elite program now, right? Yeah. 'Cause, yeah, 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 'cause, yeah Yeah, right? Yeah. Yeah, don't worry. We're gonna make waiting very easy for you soon. We are gonna dial you in, my friend. You wait. All right, if we can get a bottom wick here, I am interested in going long. We did have a closure above the range here. We are bullish on the 4 hour. We are bullish based off the daily. The 1 hour candle closed back in the range. The 30-minute candle closed bullish. 15-minute candle closed bear with no bottom wick, which is a good sign for a bullish move here. I just want to see if we can get somewhat of a bottom wick, a little bit steeper than that, before I enter this position. What do we get? 6 pips, 7 pips. Yeah, let's see. 6, 7 pips. Onion play on the 15. Well, the 15 closed with no bottom wick there. So I wouldn't take that anyway. But if we can break the low on the 15 one more time there, right? And then that would give us a bottom wick on the 1 hour. That would be pretty nice here. Icy markets. Yeah, something's going on, man. Icy markets. Icy markets. What was the other one? Sea Trader. All right, cool. Yeah, so let's see if we can come down a little bit, and we may not. So I may have a buy stop on the break of the high, but we have to come down just a little bit here. Sea Trader's still down. Oh. Sea Trader down. Icy markets, I hear, is fine. Do I put the entry on Discord? I do not. I do not. Oh, Sea Trader's on maintenance. Yeah, maintenance. Oh, nice. Buy stop only if we make a little bit of a steeper bottom wick here. Then I'll have a buy stop. We're gonna break the low. Can we break the low just once? All right, cool. I'm gonna have a buy stop here on gold, and yeah, so we got a 1 hour closure back in the range. We got NY open. Sometimes this current 1 hour or current 15-minute could be a little crazy, so that's why I wanted to see that break the low again, just for those reasons. And now we'll see if we can re-break the high. News in 25 minutes. There's no news that I'm really concerned about today. This is where I get confused. Could you explain why we need to come down? What time? Yep, because this 8:15 candle a lot of times is going to be 8 a.m. to 8:15 is going to be very up and down. So it's going to break highs, it's going to break lows most days. Some days, it'll give you a nice, smooth, clean move up, right? That's fine. But a lot of days, 8 to 8:15 is going to be very, up and down, up and down. So that's why I typically like to wait during 8:15. You'll see me do that. I mean, I wanted a bottom wick anyway, but yeah, that's the reason for that. Yeah, so now that I say that, just take note of 8 to 8:15. Just watch the 15-minute candle from 8 to 8:15 moving forward, and you'll kind of see what I mean by that. Stops are going to be kept below the current low. So I'm not in this yet. This is pretty much wherever the current low is here. This is a perfect bottom wick tapping back into the zone. So that's ideally what I wanted to see. And now if you re-break that high, you're looking at like 27 pip stops. That's going to be experience. Experience is going to get you to that point. Rest assured, like if you don't fully understand that, and I like the fact that you spoke up and you say, hey, look, this is where I get confused, because that's where hundreds of others get confused here, but they just don't ask that question, right? So that's the reason why, and experience will get you a lot better in that area. What's up, Green? Green's here, volume's here. Let's go. W. How you doing, Green? I ain't Felix. What's good? What's good? I ain't Felix. All right, I will be right back. Trade of 8 not working. Mine is working. I got a buy stop. Should be good. John Stew in the house. I was just thinking about John Stew. Yo, good morning, Sandman. How are you, brother? Good morning, John. How are you, brother?
Yo. Good morning, man.
How are you?
What's poppin'? I'm blessed and highly favored, bro. I'm grateful for another day. How you doing?
Same here, man. Truly, truly grateful.
Lovely.
Seeing if
That's
we
what's
can
up.
participate in gold buys here.
Facts, bro. Yeah, I'm in buys.
Nice.
Yeah.
Gold buys.
See what happens.
Just another trade in our trading career, right? Right, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Stop loss is going to be below the low. Back in the range, around like 24.67.
Yes, sir. But hey, happy Wednesday, bro. It's great to be back.
It is.
Great to be back.
Feels good.
Yes.
Feels good to be back.
Of course. Of course. What's up, chat?
Ain't it great?
What's good, y'all? Hope you guys are doing great today. Another day to build the habits of a professional trader, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Got a smile on my face.
Put a smile on. All right, I think I've been activated here. Yeah, I'm activated. So got into these buys. Let's get rid of this. Boom, boom. Stops are going to be kept below the current candle low here. TP is going to be up here towards 79, and then partial is going to be right around 75 for me. So partials. Limit sell. Boom.
Yo, chat, tell me if I'm correct. Those who trade top step, if you're using the micro chart and you use one lot or one contract, what's that worth? $1? Right? For the micro chart?
Micro?
Yeah.
I think so.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yes. So if I use the regular chart, what is it? $10? $10 a tick?
For what, the GC chart?
Yeah, for like the bigger size chart than the micro.
1/10 or so. Yeah, if it's 1/10, then yeah, it would be 10.
Okay, and then for the other one, it's 10, right? Options? Yeah. Okay. Got you. My mistake.
Yeah, 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 10 for the GC.
And Nick, I got activated on Top Step, but I don't know where my stop loss
Oh,
for
so
TP
now you
is,
gotta
like,
drag it. So just go over
So do I
to
drag
it.
my entry?
No, yeah, drag your entry, and then you'll get your, if you drag it down, you'll get your stop. If you drag it up, you'll get your TP.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's fire.
That is sick.
Yeah,
Get it.
top. And then you can move it now. So look, you can move your
That is-
TP if you want. You can move your stop again and again and again. It's like
Yeah,
magic
chat,
keys
Top
all over
Step's the
again.
wave. Yo, weird, bro. This is sick.
Yeah.
I'm loving futures, bro.
Forex.com, the futures. The future of Forex trading.
That's funny, bro.
Have I figured out how to take partials on Top Step? Yeah, I have. I think it's just
Bro, so how is it?
like basically, yeah, so you would pretty much right click wherever you want partials to be, and then just put in this case, a sell limit for whatever you want to close. Sell limit, yeah. And then you could drag that too, which is pretty cool. And then you can if you right click, you can actually close partials just off the rip by just going to market. So right now, if you're in a buy, and let's say you want to close partials, right click, go to market sell, and then you can close at however many contracts you want right there. I like that. I like that. All right, chat. I'm gonna go BE here. I think the 15 also closed with like no top wick, so gonna go break even on this trade, and then we'll see if it can run. Yeah, we should be good to run. We may get stopped at BE, but 15 closing with, it's got somewhat of a wick. Somewhat of a wick. I'll go BE here anyway, because it's below the low now. So yeah, if we re-break the high, we should see a pump here. $8.15, right? Yeah, $8.15. So we should get some volume coming in now. Yeah. Good to go.
This is where I would like to be too, though, right before 820.
Yeah, it's one of those, I don't want to go break even because I think gold could really pump here, but it is what it is, right? I still want to respect my rules and stuff.
Sure, for sure.
Comics. Let's see if comics could pump us up here, so we can close some partials. You just say, yeah, partials. In the beginning, that was tough for me too. I didn't quite understand it. So I think we're sitting about 12 pips in profit. I'm not going to close anything here. Just going to go break even and then see if 820 can pump us up.
See.
Yep. Yeah, we'll see. I want to see if this 4 hour, right? If we're in here, we're in at a very good spot on this 4 hour candle, right? Where if this thing does decide to flip and break that high, man, this thing is gonna rip. So we'll see. All right, there's your wick fill there. So nice wick fill, that's been done. And now if we can break the high, you should see a straight shot up to 75 here. We got 820 coming in here in 2 minutes. I think the wick fill is 20 pips, yeah. Yeah, next stop.
Next stop, TP.
75, I think, yeah.
Brace for takeoff.
We broke the high here on the futures chart, so we'll see if we can continue pumping. All right, now that we're breaking the high, you should see a run up here. But this right here was the candle's job to close the wick fill. So if you want to take partials, you can take it there. We're not guaranteed to push through, right? But our job here on this current candle was to fill that wick.
All right, here we go. Here's the push.
Can we get 820? Can we get 820 on our side?
MCP.
Can you elaborate about why you added 69 level? 69, where's 69? Oh, right here? That was the one. What was that? Oh yeah, that was over here. Yeah, I wanted a closure above there. All right, chat. I'm gonna close on this account right here, Lock this one in, and then I'm gonna hold. My other account is gonna hold till that gray line, which is gonna be the partial TP there. Yeah, that one I opened a GC, so I wanted to close there. Close partials right there at, what was it, 30 pips? 30 pips. And my other one's gonna run until this level right here. W. Good trade, chat. Good trade. Way to stay patient. Way to not budge on the first closure, right? At 7:30. We didn't want that one. We wanted volume, and we got it.
Good work.
Great work. Great work.
On to the next.
Yes, sir. Okay, partial's been tapped on my other account there, so we're good. Partials, full closure here. Partials here. Top one, I completely forgot to take that on, but yeah, great job. I'm trading a lot of accounts right now. Wow. Yeah, money. Lights Fire in the building. What's good, Lights Fire? So W chat, great trade, awesome work. 820, thank you very much.
Yep. Alien 4-hour bullish, 1 hour support. Makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, nice trade. Now we got runners, so we'll see if our runners can go here. Let's see. Hey Nick, I might have missed it, but how did you know that the candle had the potential to break through the previous one? We have volume, you know, so I understand. So I never know, right? I don't know if we're going to do this because we could easily drive down too. But I have some data collected and I understand when volume comes in on gold, right? So I know that 8 a.m. candles look like this, right? That's what 8 a.m. candles look like. They look like this. They look like this, right? They don't look like this or this typically, right? The 1 hour candles will usually be nice, strong candles there. So I knew that volume was coming in. I knew that we had to fake out back in the range. I knew we had a wick to fill, and I know that if we break that wick, we will most likely beeline it up to tap into that resistance. We got pretty close right there, maybe by like a pip. That's why I just closed and closed the partials here on my other account, because I'm not gonna be 1 pip away and then go hit break even, right? So we did the job, we got to the point, but volume took us there, right? We understand that 820, a lot of volumes are gonna come into this 8 a.m. candle, and that's where we seized our opportunity pretty much. Yeah. Yep, right into resistance. But the 4 hour has not flipped yet, and then also like that's what we were anticipating, right? This 4 hour candle to wick up and break its own high and then continue juicing today. So I'm gonna leave runners for that, but I closed. I had I think 5 or 6 contracts open, so I closed 80% of those. Yeah, I think there was a pack runner too, right? Yeah, we had a packy here. We had a packy, boys and girls.
On what, the 15?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
nice.
And remember
that was solely based off the 1 hour.
Yeah, that was 100% based off the 1 hour, but I did love the clue there, right? So someone asked, hey, isn't it a 15 onion? Yay and nay, right? Because there's no wick there. So if I know that the 4 hour is bullish And now the daily just faked out, right, and created support. And now the 15, don't worry about the 30 in this situation. The 15 now closed with no bottom wick. Now we know that there's less like of a chance to go down. And the 4 hour, I mean, the 1 hour and the 4 hour both bullish, ready to move up. I mean, that's how you put the clues together, right? So that's how you put probability on your side. Am I staying for more trades today? Absolutely. Traders trade.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Get it, man? This is what we do.
Yeah, man. I got to stay here all day, man. I got kids to feed. My work shift ain't over yet. I still got what, 2 more hours? An hour and a half. It's been a long day, but I'll stay.
At least, bro.
Now we playing with
or
the
like
house.
3 hours.
That's right. Yeah, 3 hours, right? Let's go. Let's keep pumping here. Got 3 minutes left on the 30.
Entry on that one.
Yeah, you probably had a better entry than me.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, so you entered before we rebroke the low.
Yeah, we made a 7 pip bottom wick or something like
no,
that, and then that my buy stops.
Word. Good idea. Good idea.
Then I closed full at that resistance.
Yeah, I got another 2 150s here. So
Really?
So now I'm at 4. I'm over 500K. So
Holy.
this is gonna be lovely.
Lovely, bro.
Yeah, I'm at 6.
I want to see how I like everything, and then I'm most likely gonna get 2 accounts as well.
Nice, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna keep one off of the copy trader and the rest of them on, because I want to play around with one account and test some ideas I've got.
Nice, bro.
Oh, nice. Mr. Focus. Yeah, just either shoot them a message or just wait for their message to come in. Yeah, they'll send you an email saying like a congratulations email with the credentials to your new account. Hey, C Melly, I'm just trying to get on your level, bro. I'm just trying. Where's Hank? Is Hank here? Hank the Tank, making bank.
Hank the Tank.
Hank making bank. I'm about to call him Hank Banks. I don't think Hank's here though, but what was I just gonna say? Forget. All right, 1 minute for a closure. 4 hour is looking beautiful right now. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my runner. I'm gonna hang on to my runner here. And I'm just going to keep moving this up, to be honest, because we just don't know where gold wants to go at this point today. So I'm just going to hold my runner there and see where we go. But we got a juice box, ladies and gents.
Very smart. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I'm basically just going to trail stops into profit, because I have no idea where gold's going to go. You know, if we end up closing above 80, then we have no clue where it's going to go.
I know.
We just know that we're going.
That's why it was a good reason, too, to be a little bit more aggressive on those buys. Just because 2480, all-time highs.
Yep. Was C Trader down for that? I don't know. Was it? Did all my C Traders get in? All right, chat. My new stops are sitting in profit here, so I'm just gonna keep my stops there. Once this candle does its thing, I will move my stops to wherever that low is. And then today, I'm just going to keep moving up and up and up if the market allows me to. And then there's no new trades or anything here, right? No new trades. No new trades. No new trades. No new, right? There's no new trades. Okay, so if you missed this move or if you just didn't take it, there's no new trades currently according to me and my process, right? If I wasn't in that trade, I'm not taking one here. See, trader's still down. All right. Tell him, man, do that maintenance during freaking Asian session or something. Not New York.
Right? The hell? How was Asian sesh last night, Nick?
Asian sesh was good.
Nice.
Yeah, I took a loss yesterday after the live stream. I tried to attempt the fade here. So my trade yesterday looked something like this. I kept my stops above this wick right here, and then I was shooting to you know, come down, but got wicked in, and then price said no, Nick Stewart. Today you pay tuition today. But guess what? Like the casino, I got it right back. All right, and took the fade right here, and then closed up partials. I think it was like right there.
Nice.
Yeah.
You think on the first one you still had room on the higher time frames to continue up, or do you think it was just probabilities?
Yeah. The thing was the candle closed like no wick, right? So that's why I was like, all right. But yeah, it's whatever.
Word, good stuff.
Price said pay the fee. Yeah, pay the fee. All right, let's mark that last trade up. So that was 8:15.
Gotta look at my inbuilt trades Ella on Top Step.
I hope you guys are marking up your trades, gang.
Of course.
Bye.
Of course, bro. I'm in this for the long game.
I know you're doing it. Current low. 1 hour. 1 hour. I think this is our first 1 hour on the board this month. Yep. A sea of 15, 30-minute time frames. Sheesh.
Oof.
That one was full, and then we got, what did I say? 30, right? 30. Yeah, it was like down here. Yeah, it's getting a little difficult to track trades and accounts and... Oh, did I survive this? Yes, I did.
No, bro, I know.
Yes, I did. Can we break the high? Can we break the highs? Flip.
Yeah, I know, bro. I forgot to take it on my personal account.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Sandman, yeah, got slapped too there. Yeah, got it right back. Let's go, Sandman. I was actually gonna call it. I was even talking to the guys in the Discord. I was like, yo, I just took this loss. I think I'm gonna call it a day. I booked a tea time right after I took the loss. Luckily, they had a tea time available, and I ended up taking one more, man, while I was on this last, I was doing an elite call, and I was on with Don, right? Yeah, Don, and yeah, we caught that fade, man. I was like, all right, let me close this. Let me close this. Hit my entry. Trade copier, what do I use? There's a built-in trade copier on Top Step. Top Step X. There's a built-in trade copier there. All right, can we flip? Can we flip? Come on, 4 hour, you can do it. This 4 hour here is gonna close in 24 minutes, so there's still a decent amount of time on the 4 hour candle, but we'll see if we have the power to move up and break the highs.
Power. That was a texture setup, bro.
Yeah, it was.
I love clean setups like that.
Yep. Very nice trade. Thank you. Impressed with July results? Do you have TradeZella or show account results? Yeah, after every month I show how the month went. So I don't show my P&L on a day-to-day basis anymore because it doesn't help me, right? It doesn't help me by everybody paying attention to every penny I make or lose. So I save that for the end of the month and then I share that information. And honestly, I've been trading a lot better like that. A lot better not sharing my P&L and not sharing my floating P&L all the time. And yeah, I like it much better.
Yeah, who the hell wants that, you know? Wants that type of
15.
attention.
Flip. Yeah, after every month we do we have a look. I saw the fade, but not for me. Took a nice buy. We're breaking all-time highs. We have low volume. Yeah. 1 minute time frame. Yeah, I don't really go down to the 1 minute, but if the flag was there, the flag was there. Do we get a confirmation email after paying for the webinar? Yes. TK, they get a confirmation email, right? Yeah, I believe so.
Ooh, nice One Punch Man. That's pretty cool.
Who?
One Punch Man.
One Punch Man. One Punch Man.
His YouTube names are awesome.
Building my $10 account to 97. Let's go. One punch. One punch at a time, baby.
Way to prove anything's possible, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you should get an email after you register. Come on, 15. You can do it. The real push is gonna come from the 4 hour here, chat. That's where the real push is gonna come from. So if this thing breaks the high, we should go. Very good trade. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. I hope you guys read that, excuse me, and had that idea, right? How many of you guys had that idea? That's great. You know, had the idea without me. And some of you guys were even going to take it without me, and that's awesome. I love to see that, right? And then now you guys know why I waited for that extra confirmation with that bottom wick, just for extra confirmation, right? Because we could have made that high and then broke that 7 pip low and just drove down and made a celery play here, right? So that's why we wanted to. The 4 hour is looking pretty aggressive, you know, right? We're coming down, but yeah, we re-broke the low, and then boom. Buy stop is set. How you doing? Target tapped, and look, we haven't really done much, right? Since target's been tapped. So this is why we use these as targets, and we respect the price in front of us on a day-to-day basis, you know. Push it, push it. Can you tell us more about Top Step? What would you like to know?
Yeah, word.
Yeah, same, Xander. Same. Morning, Pirates. What up, Pete the G?
Pirates.
Pete the G.
Yeah, Top Step is just a funded futures company. If you have any other questions, you can let me know.
Yeah. Did I answer the question? Yeah, you should get an email. Yup, you should get an email once you register for the boot camp. Yeah, the other thing about the 4 hour here was it tapped target, right? So it tapped into that support. So I guess you really could have popped off on the fade at some point, but I didn't do all that, right? I just waited on the 1 hour, but yeah, there was somewhat of a fade opportunity there.
Hey, this 4 hour close is bearish. Nobody knows nothing.
We'll flip it. Yeah, so the boot camp's coming up in 10 days. So on the 27th here, in 10 days, that's when the boot camp is going to take place. It's going to go down. We're going to start at 8:30 a.m. So like right around this time. And it's going to go for about 2 hours. All right, yeah, I hit B. Or actually, I got stopped in profit there. Right there.
Attaboy.
Great trade, chat. Great trade.
Oh, Nick.
22. So, can you explain why you put resistance line there? Which one? Where? What up, Tradeaholic? Good to see you, G. How you feeling today?
Tradeaholic. Good, Top G.
Top G. Top G. Little Billy's a top G.
He may have pressed gold for us to work in our favor.
Yo, was it you that scared gold?
Bubby's in the chat. What's up, George? What's good, bro?
George.
What's up, you know?
You guys
Georgie.
ever seen the movie Blow? Boston George. The violet one? Oh, this one over here? Oh, yeah. So the reason for that, right? So we didn't have much price action at that point. That when we first got to the desk, it was just kind of moving down a bit. So what I did was I used previous price action to my advantage, right? So I go over here and I go, okay, well, if we are going to find buys, where's the best place to take them from? Well, you know, maybe if we get a support here, we could take our buys, right? Because we're at a support level. But where else can we take them, right? So I look left and I see this area here and I say, okay, well, maybe if we can close above this range, that's where the buys can take place from. So waited on the 1 hour because I didn't want to budge on a lower time frame candle here. I wanted to wait on the 1 hour because I wanted volume coming in and all that good stuff. And now this 1 hour candle here closed above that range. Therefore, that was our opportunity to say, hey, you know what? This could be a fake out here. We can anticipate price filling that wick and then retesting that high. And that was basically the idea. Yep, that was the trade.
Sir. In a bullish trend, correct.
In a bullish trend.
Support formed, buys.
Yep, 4 hour bullish, daily bullish, 4 hour bullish, 1 hour bullish, 30-minute bullish, 15-minute bearish with no bottom wick, which in a way is bullish, right? So everything lines up there. So you gotta pull the trigger and you gotta put some size on that one.
Right.
Put some size on it.
Am I still in? No, Xander. I took profit at that resistance level at 24.75. So great exit.
Yeah, I'm out the trade too. I got hit right here. We'll take it. We'll take it, and now we'll wait for the 4 hour candle to close in about 16 minutes here. If this 4 hour candle goes like this, though, in the next 16 minutes, after tapping me out at BE, I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to smile and be like, damn, that sucks.
Yeah.
I'm not going to be like Tradeaholic, pull out the Uzi. Brrr. Yeah, I'm not going to do none of that. Nice, smooth, beautiful trade after 2 no trade days. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, patience pays. Yep.
Oh, facts.
Yep.
Thanks for reminding me.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me as well. Imagine forcing trades, trying to make stupid things up, right, during Monday and Tuesday, and now, like, having this beautiful trade here and it not meaning anything, right? It's like, okay, now I'm 1/3 of the way out of drawdown, right? So that's why we don't force trades, and that's why we always say, like TK says, I heard that there's some more trades coming, right? Trades are like bus, always another one around the corner.
Yeah, especially for the beginning of the week, right? Because that could set the tone for some, you know, for the rest of the week. Like I remember times where I forced a trade on Monday, took a maybe a small or big L, and then the rest of the week was a losing week, you know, because I forced a trade on Monday, and that's happened to me a couple times. So if you could just set the tone up correctly or good on the first day of the week, you know, the week could be way better. Just something to keep in mind.
Mm-hmm. All right, 4 hour closure or what? No, not yet. 15 closure, bearish. So yeah, just gonna hang out.
Sure, George, I'm doing great, bro. Blessed and highly favored. How you doing? big 4-hour closure here.
I lost 2 trades today in London. Called it the day. Yeah, that's good. Might as well. Just hang out, watch. Observation is a very powerful thing to do. You know, so even when you're, and that's the thing about trading is like, you know, at your job, you get paid, right, by the hour, or you get a salary or whatever. Here, your job is, I mean, most of the job is just observing, right? There's only a, I mean, how long was that trade, right? We opened it at 8:15, 8:17. We were out of there by just now, by 8:40, right? So, I mean, your job is to wait, right? Your job is to observe and learn market fluctuation, market condition, candlesticks, price action, you know, how volume takes over, when volume takes over. It's just, your job is to mainly observe here, right? And then take trades when everything lines up. So it's a little unconventional because it's like you feel like you're not getting paid or you're not doing anything, but you are, you know. It's like hunting and then feeling like, well, you're not eating, right? Well, you're trying to, right? You're getting ready to eat, but you ain't gonna eat unless you wait for that kill, right? So it's the same thing here.
Sure.
Get paid to wait. I think Wick said that originally. He said we get paid to wait.
Paid to wait and paid to execute as well.
And waiting
You
is
observe
hard.
and you wait for that setup, and then you execute on that setup.
Yep. Waiting is hard, man. It
Yeah,
should be hard. It shouldn't be easy.
Yeah, facts.
Discipline. It's all a mind game. Everything we do is in the mind, especially trading. Even
yeah.
yesterday on the golf course, Joe. You know what Joe said on the ride home? He said you beat me in the mind. He said you were on
100%.
fire. You beat me in the mind today more than, because he played well. He played really good actually. But that's what he said. He said, you know what, you beat me in the mind today. So it's powerful,
And you
man.
most likely knew that before the game started, that I'm gonna beat this dude in the mind.
Well, that's
you know?
always my advantage over competition. Even if I
Exactly.
suck, even if the individual is better at something than me, I know that I'm dialed, right? So I know that if I mentally prepare myself to win, and I treat it serious, because a lot of times I mess around, I have fun, I be joking sometimes, but when I lock in and really say, all right, I want to win, because we're playing for $20, so I'm like, all right, if we're playing for 20, we gotta lock in. So we locked in. And then Joe's a degenerate gambler, by the way, so after I spanked him for the 20, I'm just kidding, Joe played really well. Now we started betting by the hole. So we started placing bets on the hole. So it'd be like $20 the hole, $10 the hole, and yeah, I beat him on a couple holes. He actually came out and had really good shots on 2 of the holes, but I came back and tied him. And then I won 2 or 3 of the other holes. So he just lost a bunch of money, and I'm like, all right, Joe, let's just stop the bleeding here, bro. I don't want to take any of your money. I don't want to take any more of your money, bro.
You know, it gets serious when you go from betting on the game to betting on the hole, you know?
I told him, I'm like, I'm too hot today, dude. Just call it, man. Call it.
For real.
Catch
Sometimes
me.
you just...
Yeah, catch me on another day.
Yeah, fact, Zerfi, poor risk management there. He should have stopped the bleeding after 2 L's. What's up, Ronnie? Did I get those 100 push-ups in? Yeah, I got 20 more to do, and then that's 100. And then anything else is leftover extra reps.
Yeah, don't worry. We'll do more competitions in the future. Yep, no worries, Cannon. Next time you'll be prepared. Yeah, you know, he wanted to hit double or nothing, and it got to the point where we got to a certain number, and he wanted to risk it all, and I'm like, dude, are you gonna pay up though? That's my question. And I'm like, nah, you know, I feel like you might not pay that, so I stopped it right there. You're gonna try and take me
better
to
after
dinner or
this
something
trade.
and make it even less. I need the cash, man. I need the cash. All right, 4-hour closure coming up. 9 minutes here.
Oh, AB Mike, man, that's up to you, bro. You know, you're your own individual trader. I think you know your best. You know yourself best. Stick to those rules. Follow your rules.
Call it a day, AB Mike. You only have to say a few words. You only have to say one word, couple words to me there. So you told me you're up 1.5%, and then the next sentence says my plan is usually, I'm not sure what that word means, but my plan is to call it a day after 1.5.
Exactly.
So if that's the plan, that's the plan.
And I said it without giving him the answer, giving him my answer.
Yep.
I said,
Now-
follow your rules, bro. You know yourself best, and that's one of your
Yep.
rules.
Now, if you rewrite the rules and you say, hey, my plan is to call it a day at 1.5 unless I'm feeling in flow state, then maybe it's different. But if your current plan is to call it, then call it and then rewrite the plan. And take the word usually out. You don't need that word in there. Every time we break the highs, yeah, we do, yep. I'm not sure. I'm not too sure why that is.
And Harsh 111, bro. I know you told me like a couple weeks ago that you just started trading, I believe. So, and I just want to say good stuff, bro, because calling it a day after 2 losses, I think that's really good risk management. And you just started, bro. So keep it up.
Yeah. Yeah. Good job, Harsh. Yeah, good job, baby Mike. Way to go, man. Great day. Sounds like a great day.
Yeah, AB Mike. Good stuff, bro. Way to work today.
Yeah, we got no news today. Nope. What's up, Norbin? How you doing, man? Yeah, we just got tapped, man. Just got tapped.
Resistance, bro.
No, I mean, my stops are in profit there.
Oh.
Is there any other place where we can learn and develop the playbook plays other than the lives? We're gonna be shifting the elite program a little bit to a group setting, and it's just gonna be like you can come for however long you want, you can leave when you want, you can come back in if you want, right? So it's gonna be something where we're trying to develop like this new circle of the traders that I really want to develop and take with me to the higher levels of this plan here, right? So I'm looking to put together an inner circle. I think that would be the best place to be. That, and then, you know, every day on the charts, showing up to the charts. This is going to be your best teacher. The best teacher is sitting right in front of us, and it's not the handsome guy on the top left in the box, John Stewart. It's going to be the market here. Yeah, the market's going to be a great teacher. Time in the markets. Time in the markets. Folks, yeah. Yeah, so we'll see. I'm going to wait on the 4-hour closure here, and then we'll go from there. 4 minutes. We're about to blow past Top Step TV soon. Yep. Hey, trust me, it's all written down. It's all in front of me, gang. It's on a big whiteboard. The plans and the visions, and man. Yeah.
And bro, I kind of feel like a time traveler because I've already lived it in my mind. So I already know how it's going down and stuff. Pretty cool.
Yep. Yo, Pia Magnifico, yeah, man. In the right season, I will be there. Top Step CV sucks. John came back smiling. Yeah, because he knows, man. He knows.
Yo, what's up, YOLO Trader? Hope you're doing good, bro.
I just got a random text. Hi, my name is Sarah Hinton. I'm a top recruiter. We need a team of part-time. I'm gonna write back. Unemployable.
Let me think about it. No.
Or I could write back, well, yeah, I'm interested. I would like a 8-hour day, 9 to 5, and I would like lunch break between 9:15 and 4:45, and leave at 5, and top salary, and paid vacation, and free lunch every day. With no seed oils.
Do it, bro. Let's see what their response is.
You get them all
He's
the time?
gonna be like,
Haven't
no,
had.
sir, we can't do the no seed oils.
Imagine, hey, we could do everything besides that no seed oil thing.
That I can see that. Yo, Norbin, bro, it's crazy, man, because I'm watching Nick, and I've been watching Nick for this last year, and he's doing phenomenal, right? Like, look at his record, look at his analyst or his, top-down analysis every morning. And there was one time where it wasn't like that. There was a time where every single day this dude told me he blew an account. And the fact that he kept going with it, and now he's starting to make some serious progress on his trading and getting some good results. It's an inspiration, bro. And it's beautiful to see because it used to not be like this, bro. And I hope that could be some inspiration for you. Keep going, bro.
W. Don't quit. Just don't quit. Whatever you do, don't quit. Please. For me. Hang in there for me. Because I know what a family victory this is. Especially some of you guys and girls with kids.
Yeah. And I'm using Nick as the example because he's, the guy on the stage. And yeah, bro, imagine at any point Nick would have quit, right? Like after one or the second or even the third funded accounts he'd blown, or imagine he quit at the 10th, right? Like he wouldn't, if he didn't stay persistent and consistent, we wouldn't see this type of trading now, right? So you just got to stay committed, bro. It's really it. Stay committed and learn from your mistakes, use them as lessons, and use them to help you continue moving forward.
What do you want? And are you willing to sacrifice? Are you willing to die to get it? Right? How much work are you willing to put in? No quit, man. No quit. You guys see my kids? They live the dream. Who see my story yesterday? Alea just straight macking. 12:45. Who are you? Kids chilling. But hey, that was the dream. I was thinking about those moments before I ever had Alea. Long before I ever had kids. My mentor would say, Nick, most people spend more time scheduling and planning their one vacation a year than they spend scheduling and planning their future. And when they have kids, they never think of the fact that, man, those kids are going to grow up one day, right? And they're going to be someone, and who they're going to be and how they're going to live is going to be determined up to you, right? So plan that future and understand what you really want. So, once I got that in my mind, it was a wrap, right? Because then I began to understand the future I wanted, and my kids weren't even here yet, right? This was 10 years ago, 8 years before Alea was even born, and me and Anna were dialed in, planning, acting, doing things that our future self would thank us for. And we are so grateful that we went ahead and made those decisions, because those were decisions against everyone else. You know, we got invited to the parties, we didn't go. There was weddings we didn't go to. There was birthdays we didn't go to, right? There was late night hangouts that I didn't go to because I wanted to read. I know, what a dork, right? I wanted to read instead. I wanted to finish a book, but I couldn't tell my friends that, right? So we sacrificed a lot, you know, we did. But you'll sacrifice now. And another quote my mentor would tell me is that, you know, Nick, if you do these things, by the time everyone else's party is stopping, you and Anna's party will just be beginning. And he never told a lie, man. He never told a damn lie.
Hey, bro, I love it. That's separation, man.
Amen, AB Mike. Amen, amen. Freedom's the biggest thing for me. That's why I try and encourage y'all to go after it. I feel like it's necessary.
That's great. It is, bro. It's worth living.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
and yeah, bro, did it take some time? Yeah, but it was all worth it, right? At the end of the day,
I do that a million times over again.
it was all worth it.
Just to see Alea's
And-
head pop up like that yesterday, I do that 1,000 times over and over and over again.
Yeah, you could probably just cry, you know, looking at that.
Yeah.
But yeah,
All right, let's get back to the charts here. Let's pretend that we just got here, right? So stream is starting soon. Glory to the Father. Hallelujah. W's in the chat. All right, let's see what we got here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the day, right? And see what the daily candle's looking like now. Fresh perspective, brand new session here. So we know that the day closed with no top wick. Like, let's remind ourselves here, we've got no top wick on the daily. This candle's been struggling just a little bit here. You do have a high, you do have a low. Let's go ahead and look at what those high and lows look like on the 4-hour chart here. So let's mark our high, let's mark our low, and let's see where we can go from here. So 4-hour has created support right here. Excuse me. We came down, we wicked into that support, tapped target, and now we've closed very weak bearish on a very bullish day here, right? Or last couple days, bullish week. So we're bullish, right? Based off of what we see here, although we did close, you know, weak on the 4-hour candle. So we'll see what this high looks like, right? Because this is like a 4-hour celery play that could potentially take out, so, or that could potentially work out. So let's move our resistance level, and let's keep our resistance right here now, because that right there will, a closure above there will be breaking that 4-hour high. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. We have this resistance right here, and then 15. Yeah, I say we stick to the 30 here, and this is our range. So if we're going to take buys, we're going to break that 4-hour high, and then we should push up towards 82, right? That's really our only target here on the buys today. So let's see if we can get a closure above, and then we will chop it up from there. We already took one trade. I know it was so easy to make money there, but that doesn't mean it's going to be as easy and simple on the next time you enter the market. So you really want to wait for the right golden opportunities to get back into the market here, so we can actually make money and not waste a bullet, right? So let's have buys above with the closure. Either the 15 or the 30-minute closure is what I'm looking at, and that is pretty much the updated version here today. Yeah.
what do you like for sells?
So sells are getting a little tough. We have this support here, right? Or potentially if we can create support here, right, and remain chopping around in this range, ideally we'll take some sells off the 15-minute to probably fill that wick down there, right? Because we are still bearish on the, we did close bear on the 4-hour there. So we'll see what happens. But either way, if price wants to run here, I'll let it go. I'm still waiting. I'm waiting on closures. Yeah.
And I know 30-minute broke highs. I just want your opinion. Why? What do you think about the 30-minute onion? I know like it's kind of invalid at this point, but
which one, bro? This one?
30-minute onion.
30-minute. Oh, so like when this candle closes?
Like, how come you weren't looking at that? Yeah.
Well, the candle didn't close yet. So if we get an
Oh,
onion here,
I'm talking about the 30-minute.
this is 30.
No, I'm saying like, how come you weren't interested in that? Like after the 4-hour close, after that
So
4 hours starting to make
the
a top
celery
wick.
or the onion?
The onion.
I don't see an onion. All I see is a celery play right here. If we get an onion, we need a support before we say we got an onion play.
I'm saying onion to the downside, but you're calling it celery.
Oh, yeah. I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to take that until like 9:15. Yeah. So yeah, now we wait.
Not B21. I know it was a fresh 4-hour. I want his opinion. That's really it.
Yeah. Yeah, if we get a support now, and then now we have an onion / breakout, and then we have this wick to fill, I'd much rather take that here at either 9:15 or 9:30. Yo, yeah, I wish I survived that.
Nah, yeah, Dominic. I was talking about the onion to the downside.
Yeah, nah,
after
I know
the
what you mean.
4-hour closing bearish.
Yeah, onion to the downside.
I wasn't thinking celery because we were at resistance. But yeah.
But that's it. I'll be right back.
Yes, sir, but nice 4-hour top pick. Eyes have been broken too. Signs we could go up. Yo, let's go, Wags. Yeah, you see that, right? Yeah, nah. I knew I wasn't tripping. Yeah, Louis G, I was looking at that too. But I did know that there was a fresh 4-hour closure. I definitely needed a 4-hour top wick. But yeah, now we're just pushing up and breaking eyes. Oh, Wags, you got funded, bro? Let's go. Congrats, man. W. Happy for you, bro. You know what to do, bro. We treat that account like a professional would. Yeah, yo. I mean, those of you doing the funded route, like, I would treat my funded account the same way I would treat my live account. You know, an account is an account. You know, it doesn't really matter. We're just trading. Who cares about the amount size, right? We're here to trade. It's all the same thing at the end of the day. Yes, sir. Wags, yes, sir. Traders trade, Louis G, yeah.
Holy.
Wags, bro. I want to give you a shout out too, because Wags, bro, he's committed. That man's here all the time. He'd be texting me too as well. Like, that man's trying to get somewhere with his life. I'm seeing he's making a lot of progress, bro. So, good work, man.
Wags. W for Wags.
And he's the name that I see here every day, right? He's one of the names I see here every day. So, good stuff.
Oh, yeah. All right, we're coming up for that wick here now. Man, oh man.
Juicer, bro.
4-hour celery play.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Wags, let's go. Get it, Davey Pete.
I'm struggling. Send help. Call the Paw Patrol. Call the Paw Patrol.
Tell Leia, wake Leia up. We need the Paw Patrol toys.
Don't worry, man. No pups too small for struggling. Just got out a drawdown with that trade. Appreciate the. Oh, nice, man. Great job, Davey Pete. Why after close my order and profit it moves up? I know that is the golden question that every trader has. That is just isn't it a strange thing?
Old.
Pretty strange.
Training. The charts just know, you know, when most people get out.
Funny how that works. So I think Trump speaks tomorrow. Trump's gonna speak tomorrow at that convention.
Get it.
Yeah. Trump's gonna speak tomorrow, so that should really maybe put markets into overdrive as well again. We'll see what happens.
That's gonna be popping.
How many of you guys remember that prophecy about over America in I think it was like 2007? Where the guy even mentioned Trump's name. He mentioned Trump, and he said that he heard from God that there's going to be a president that serves 2 terms. He won't be a God-fearing, godly man coming in, but the second time he sits in his chair, he said God's going to come over him and anoint him with the Spirit, right? And that is, you know what else is pretty crazy? In Leviticus, it says that a couple signs, right, from the anointed are blood on the right ear and then somewhere on the hand or the finger. So you're literally seeing scripture play out. I don't know. I'd be in awe by this stuff, man.
I'm seeing a shift in the country too. Like I'm seeing a lot of people who used to hate Trump start to like love him now.
By the way,
as well, you know?
On national television the other day, I think it was yesterday, they were praying. It was just, I was blown away, man. I was so happy to see that. So happy to see that.
We may see a shift in the country too, going from election and debates every 4 years to the Trump family running the country. We're good.
Yeah, man. Crazy. I don't remember which chapter that is. I'm gonna have to go into it and I forget which chapter it is. No, I haven't really dived in. I don't want to get into like anything. Yeah, I don't know how the left or the right is talking. I don't even know.
How come he didn't speak at the Republican thing?
He speaks on the last day because he's like the I guess the nominee.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's crazy though.
50 cents.
Prophecy.
How Trump gets shot and I'm trending. So blessed. Amen. Yeah, he did have long hair. That's right. Yeah, long dark hair, right? I think he was always like playing a piano and stuff too, if I can remember. Yeah, that's true. If more people read the Bible, they wouldn't panic. They think it's some sort of religious, I don't know, that they're going to be looked down upon or frowned upon, and the Bible's the exact opposite, man. Exact opposite. But, one thing we can say about the devil is he's a hard worker. And he's working. And he's always working. And he's working to kill, steal, and destroy everything you've got. and he's looking to deceive you in ways that you're not even aware of. So you got to be spiritual realm vibes, got to be on point. What's up, Lewis? Yeah, yo, the economy, man. I was paying like $1. I think we were paying like $1.20 for fuel here in the USA.
Bro, Trump gets in, we ain't seeing that type of freaking
Now,
crazy money.
It went up to like $5, and then now I think it's around, I don't know, what do you know what it is? Like three something?
Something like that, yeah.
Look at this pushback down here now in the 4 hour.
Oh, dude.
So nothing, 15-minute candle didn't really, 15 closed outside of that range, but I'm gonna stick to the 30 here.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah, that's true, Lights Fire. Keep in mind, remember, daily no top wick, right? Very little to no top wick here. So I'm open for both buys and sells here. Just gotta get the right clues to line up. $1.20 a gallon, yeah, man. We almost seen like under $1 at that point. That was nuts. I was broke too at that point. I needed it.
Bro,
I'm
that's
like,
what
hey,
it's gonna look like when he comes back.
I can finally fill up my gas tank. Hey, how many of you guys just want to have enough money in your pocket so you don't have to put $10 in the tank? That used to piss me off, man. $10, man. That $10 drains so fast compared to when you fill up your tank. Man, how many of you guys just want to fill up the tank? It's little things, man. It's little things.
It's funny that you mentioned that because I remember, Nick, we were at Shell at 9W and you only put like $6 in because that's all you had and you were waiting on some money.
Yeah, man.
So, yeah, crazy.
How many of y'all want to fill up the tank or go ahead and read the menu properly, right? From the left to the right, not from the right to the left. Those are the things I wanted, man. Stupid stuff, little stuff.
Facts, bro. Facts.
You got like chicken over here. It's like, $5, and you got like steak, and steak's like $10, and you got like lobster, and lobster is like $15. You got like, salad's like $5, and you're like, so you're not even looking here. You're looking here. How many of y'all do it? I trust me, I still be doing this sometimes. How many of you guys just want to read properly? I want steak. It's 10. I don't give a rip. Give me the steak. I want lobster today, right? Instead of thinking I want to spend 5. I'm not spending anything other than 5. What can I get? Salad or chicken? Yeah, I'll take some chicken.
At that point, it was just better to stay at home.
I'll take the salad. Thank you very much. You sure the steak is just really, really good here? No. I'm most certainly in the mood for salad today. Yes.
The waiter's testing you, like, you sure?
And what would you like, lovely lady? I'll take the steak and lobster. All of a sudden, you're like, damn, bro. Damn.
Hard drops.
This just turned into a rough night here. Hold the lettuce. Is that less?
Damn, bro.
That lettuce cost extra?
Wait, $2 extra for lettuce? Yeah, nah.
Who needs lettuce? So overrated.
Janelle, anything's possible, man. Come on. Stop limiting yourself.
Yeah. But what about the next 6 months? And the next 6 months and the next 6 months. So you want to focus on that. You want to focus on the skill set and make sure you've got that dialed in before you go ahead and start, celebrating and quitting jobs and buying steaks and lobsters and I'll take the salad. Hold the lettuce. I'm getting a problem with the payment on the webinar from India. Yeah, DM TK. Thanks, TK.
Ooh, Dominic, that's great, bro. Let me know how that book is. As a Man Thinketh, let me know. Let me know how you like it.
Yeah. Kim Clement. Yeah, I think that was him, right? I'm pretty sure that was him. Yeah, you can go watch it.
Man,
He was talking about everything you're seeing today with Trump and all that. He was talking about that in 2007.
Wow. I'm about to look him up right now.
I'll get that scripture out of Leviticus too for you guys.
Should we even tell him about the last president? Or probably not. It's too deep.
It's too much to explain. I don't know enough about the topic.
We got 9:30 and 9 minutes, so that's for a conversation with me and Nick at dinner.
Seen a seafood. Honey, what do you want to eat today? Just drive by the steak. We don't want to go there. Hey, honey, look at those beautiful trees over there as you're driving by the steakhouse. Yeah. So what do you want to eat today? Oh, man.
Yo, chill, bro. It's hilarious.
You tell him cook it like medium, and you know she wants it medium well. It's like, hey, she wanted that thing medium. And that way, once it gets there, she's like, it looks like it's medium. Honey, you want half? Yeah, I'll take half of that. Yeah, why don't you send the other half back, and I'll get the other half off your plate there, no problem. I'm not starving or anything with no money. Just I'll help you out.
I've just been fasting for 3 days.
Did Sam leave trading? He might be taking a pause. I think he might be taking a pause. Yeah, he's probably doing some other stuff. I actually haven't talked to Sam in, I would say, like 2 or 3 weeks, but he actually did hit me up yesterday, so he's doing good.
Yo, word, I gotta hit up Sam myself.
Sam the man.
So it's good. Yeah, facts, Rich White. Life is different when money isn't an object. Yeah, and it's different too when you used to not have any money, but now you have money. That hits different. When you were poor, but now you're wealthy in a way.
Money's like oxygen. When you have enough, you don't think about it.
Yeah, facts, bro.
But the moment it gets limited, right? The moment, if we're in a pool and I put your head underneath that water and I'm holding you down, and you're like, he's just playing with me, and then I'm not, and then you're like, whoa, this guy's really holding my head down. What's the only thing you're thinking about at that point? Oxygen. Right? And most people got their head dunks underwater financially. And all they think about is finances. Every decision they make is based off of finances. Can we go to Aunt Bill? Can we go to Uncle Bill's house? Well, it's a 2-hour ride, and then you're thinking in your head, well, I gotta fill up the gas tank, right? Every decision you make, you begin to filter it through. Well, how much is that going to cost me, right? And I just got tired of living that way. I got tired of living that way. I got tired of seeing my family live that way. And I didn't want my brothers, right, John and Joe, to have to go through that either, or my own kids, right? So I decided to step up and lead and make sure I had enough oxygen, aka money, so that I didn't have to think about it. So if anyone else needed help, I could be there for them, right? And that was a big driving force for me, is that if not me stepping up to lead, then who's going to do that, right? So you may be that person in your family, right? And in your community, in your circle. So I think you are that person. I don't think you're here by mistake.
Thanks, man.
Yep. Because guess what? If let's say me and you are sitting there at dinner, and we're like, hey, yeah, let's go to dinner, yeah, and then we go, and a lot of mediocre people say, hey, all rich people do is think about money. All people with money do is they just think about money all the time. But did you know it's actually the complete opposite, right? Because let's say I'm sitting down for dinner and then I'm sitting down with someone else. A lot of times they're thinking about what to order, right? They're looking from right to left on the menu. So they're like, chicken or salad here, chicken or salad. Meanwhile, I'm thinking, I don't care what this guy gets. I'm paying for the whole thing, right? But he don't know that. So he's sitting there debating on what he's going to eat based off of finances. Unless I'm with TK. When I'm with TK, he treats every time. I don't know.
Shout out TK.
Shout out TK, man. He don't let me pay. But in any other case, I'm typically going to pay that bill, right? But it may not be set up front. But the whole time, I'm thinking, hey, I'll get whatever, and whatever he gets, enjoy it. But the other guy's thinking in his own head, damn, I'll get the chicken or I'll get the salad. So who's thinking about money more? The guy with it or without it? The guy without it, right? So we could fix that problem, gang. We could fix that problem. Remember what I said in the podcast? Every problem, you just got to out-earn it, right? Just go out-earn it. Don't worry about saving it and doing this and doing that. Just go out-earn, right? If you want something, just go make more money. Yeah. All right, 2 minutes. Chicken and dishes. Hey, Nick, you think you hang out in the parking lot for a few minutes? I just got to clean a couple dishes back there in the... Wait, what? When did they give you a job?
So I'm going to put you on the spot real quick.
Sure.
So to those who are poor, how can they have an abundance mindset, but they're still poor?
They have to know that they're not poor because they're looking for money. They think that money is going to make them rich, but if money is all you have, you're not rich at all. Right? So they think that their financial situation is going to change their life, but that's not the case because my life completely changed the moment I fell in love with the process of going after the best version of myself. That's when I won, right? I won in that moment. I became rich in that moment. I didn't have money yet, but I was a very wealthy man because I knew what I want. I had a plan and I was willing to work towards it. And that's the moment I became rich.
Beautiful.
So if all you have is money,
realization.
You don't have that much because there's billionaires committing suicide. So if money was what made them happy, why would they ever commit suicide? Why do we see wealthy people jump off of a bridge, right? It's not the money that makes them rich. So even though they had millions of dollars, they were poor, and I feel bad for them.
That's great. That's a great answer.
You know what I mean?
That's beautiful. Yeah.
Yep.
So it's like, even if you are that person with $100, if you have an abundance mindset and a mindset that you are rich, then you are, right? You are rich because
we were born rich.
It doesn't matter how much money you have.
Yep. We were born with opportunity. Whatever, we spawned into the world with some sort of an opportunity. Maybe some had better opportunities than other. Whatever you define a better opportunity is. Some people say, hey, well, you grew up wealthy, so you had a better opportunity. But what about the guy who grew up poor and he had nothing but hunger and he went and made it happen, and the wealthy kid wasted his time, wasted his life because he didn't have any drive. He didn't see that's what makes a man rich and a woman rich, is the fact that they know what they want and they're willing to go get it. So a lot of people chase the end game, but the journey is the most rewarding part.
That's great.
Yeah. Money's a tool. Money, I don't care about money. That's why money comes to me consistently, because I truly don't give a rip about it. I've never been extremely motivated by money. I like money. It makes life a lot easier, but that's not what I'm truly after. All right, gang. So we got a closure here. So we did close. So there's really the only support here is this guy right there. So I'm looking for a potential celery play on this break of the candles low here. So we'll see if we can come down and break that low. If we can, then we have a straight shot down towards, like, what is this? I would say 68, 67 there. So yeah, I'm gonna put some risk on. Oh, let me go over to this chart. Hold on. There we go.
I like it. 4-hour pack. Continue down.
Yeah.
Hope you guys are catching this wisdom. Not always taught, but it's caught.
Well, we prayed this morning that those who had ears to hear would hear. So that's all we could do. All right, chat. I'm going to have a sell stop there. 30-minute celery play.
And this was the initial onion I was talking about.
Yep. Yeah,
Now
now that we
celery,
got this
yep.
rejection, I think if we break the lows, we should be good. I'll probably go break even fairly quick, just because we could run into that support, which is about 19 pips away. And then full target's going to be down here for like 88 pips. Going to go a little bit lower risk on this one. And yeah, we'll see where we go. Yeah, so this will be my BE point right there. Oh, wow. Straight to BE. All right, let's see what we do here. I did not go break even because that happened way too fast. Quit my job. I may not have money, but I'm rich. Let's go, baby. That's right. Yeah, those Lambos, those only cost like 5 G's a month. 7 G's a month. Like, you don't have to be making that much to afford like a Lambo.
Are you holding till wait, the numbers are different on this chart. Are you holding till
yeah, 63
or
looks good
67?
on a Yep. Yep. All right, chat, I'm going break even here. So gonna move stops to BE just in case we reject that zone there. But we're breaking lows. Everything looks pretty good. So break evens here, and then we'll see where we can go. All right, yeah, tapped. Tap. So I'm a little scared of this support here. I don't want to, you know, hold on to this longer than I should. So just tap break even there, and if it drives, it drives.
Yeah, I got BE too.
Happiness is only... I didn't get a chance to go B on this other account. Let's move this stop.
You get it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Perfect. Yeah, so we don't want to play with this zone here because we could push up, right? So we rejected that area. It was worth getting in, but now we'll see what happens, you know, if we can push through and get down there or not.
Forgot to take down my personal account again.
Yeah.
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 It's all good. Save commissions.
Can I explain the trade? Yeah, so the trade was based off the 30-minute. We had a nice rejection to the top side. You had a resistance here. You closed back below this range. You had a minor support here. That's why we wanted to go break even at that point. But once you broke the lows, typically around 9:30, you're going to get a nice push. But it looks like today we want to go ahead and move up.
Yo, W freaking BE, bro.
Yeah, great B. Yeah, we almost missed that B either.
Thank you for BE. Thank you to my advantage point.
Yeah, so it might be a pack runner now. Drove down, grabbed the pack there. What stock is this? This is not a stock. This is XAU USD. Gold versus the dollar. Got slipped, yeah. Yeah, that looked like some nasty slippage could have happened there.
Bro, for real. Holy. Yes, sir.
Juice box, juice box. Will we re-break the 4-hour high here?
Funding pip slipped to the hell.
Damn. Yeah, I hope you guys were quick with the B there. That was probably the quickest I ever went B.
I'm glad we got like a second chance to go B.
I know. Our
That was like
stops were-
activated
Yeah, we
and
would have hit
B
stops
hit
there.
at the same time.
Oh, pushing.
Yeah, I'm sorry, man.
Nothing could stop gold today. What did we get there? We got, oh wow, we got about 13
Like
pips.
15.
13, 14. Yeah, that was pretty crazy because the 4 hour broke the low there, right? So 4 hour broke the low, made a new low. But this area right here is sketchy.
Sorry.
This zone right here.
That's why you always want to hear price out, right? We look left to get right, see what happened in before in the past, right? Those are your clues to see maybe what price can do now, right? It's like you can see the future, kind of. You get clues about the future.
Wick fill, baby, during high times of volume. So we filled the wick. I didn't want to take the buys just because we closed like this rejection here, right? And then started breaking the lows. So I didn't really want to take the buys. We had a big rejection, lots of resistance. So this one is fine and dandy. W break even work. I got 3 pips.
And that's,
W.
I mean, that's why I like futures, the futures market too. Like I didn't see any slippage on that. Like I had my full 13 pips there. Some of you only saw 3 pips, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, that would suck. So it's hard enough to trade the markets, never mind having to battle through slippage and crazy ridiculous spread and all that.
Yeah.
But wow.
Yeah, no, for sure. And I'm saying that for some people, maybe you should reconsider the market you're in. That's just simply why I said that. Yo, great trade, great management. That was very quick though. That's what happens when you trade a high volume, you know, moving pair like gold. Price can get a little quick on you, you know. So I think that was a great trade and great management. So those of you who got stopped on that, hey, it's all good. You know, it was a good trade. It was just price was very quick today. We're on to the next, right? Can't worry about it now. You got 100K to lend me to trade with. That's fun. Yeah, Wayne. I know, Wayne. That was quick. That was a very quick one. Peace out, Purpose. Hope you have a good day, man. Can I tell you about my broker? Yeah, I'm using Trade Ovate in the futures market. It's US regulated. There's no slippage. That stuff is illegal. But it's US regulated. No slippage. All I do is pay some commissions, which is very cheap too. Peace out, C Melly. If you have any other questions, let me know. PC Melly. 1% loss. Hey, that's all good, man. 1% slight. Yeah. And it's all good, DT gamer. You know, if price is too quick and you couldn't go to BE in time, you just gotta take the hit and move on. Right? It's like we can't focus on what has already happened. We have to focus on what we can now do, you know, to change what has happened. So yeah, I know never was able to take B. I almost missed it too. I luckily enough I got a second chance to go B. Is it a hard transition from picking a lot size to having to buy a contract? No, when switching, no, not at all. It was an easy and simple fix. It took me about like a week or so to get adjusted. And it's all the same thing, right? We're traders. Traders trade.
Traders trade. Later, C Melly.
Old all-time highs coming. Yep. That's all good though. We'll keep trading the pullbacks or the retests. It's all good. We'll find a way to make some money at all-time highs. How much money do you need to open an account on Tradeovate? I don't even know. Nick, do you know? I don't really think I'm maxed.
I'm sure like 500, 200,000,
Yeah.
somewhere around there. It's regular. All-time highs. What's going on here? 15 broke the lows, broke the highs.
That was more volume than we've ever seen. I feel like at 9:30. But we also had an orange folder too at 9:35. Maybe that had something to do with it.
Yeah. Do I still use magic keys? I don't. Yeah, we're gonna work on something magic keys for the futures market. Is something I'm probably gonna start to sink my teeth in and work with some developers on. And we'll see if we can bring that to the futures market the way Raja brought it to the FX market. Yeah, just juiced up here. Oh, we got some volume coming in. I hear the little footsteps. I hear the little footsteps. Futures Key. That's a good name. That's a good name. Future Keys. Future Keys?
I like that.
Future Keys. Get your future keys and predict your future keys of your Rolls Royce. If you get these future keys, that will get you closer to your future keys to your Rolls Royce 2024.
I could already hear that ad playing over and over again.
No, the first ad would be forex.com. The future of forex trading, and then the second ad would be like futures keys. Everything's bullish, brother. Life is bullish, G.
Thanks, bro.
Facts.
What did we just talk about? It doesn't matter how much money you have. What matters is your perspective of life, the perspective you choose. Right? Transformation in the Bible, it says transformation happens through the renewal of your mind. So your reality, your thoughts is your reality.
Mm-hmm.
Follow that one. You know?
Realistic target on gold right here. Very obvious. That's the only realistic target you got. To the upside. Yeah, this was interesting. This was too weak of a support, honestly, for me to take the buy off. That's why I went short there. But I didn't want to avoid this area here. Shorts
also
were
had
good, but not good enough to get past there.
we also had a nasty wick rejection too
Yeah, that
on
was
that
the other
candle.
thing. Nasty wick rejection, daily sketchy, right? Possible push back down on the daily.
I'm down to see what's good at 10.
NASDAQ. Damn. Holy. Oh my gosh.
Bro, I haven't looked at NAS in so long, bro. Okay, at least we're bleeding now.
Looks like Batman. I'm Batman.
That was actually a nice setup on the 30-minute on NAS just happened. Not bad.
It's Batman. Hey, they don't have gray? Why don't they have gray on this? Come on, Zoom, get some gray.
Yeah, I drew Batman.
It's Fat Man. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Yeah, NAS selling off here. Damn. Crazy.
That was a nice 30-minute breakout on NAS.
NAS just selling. Is that Batman 4000 Buzz Blap?
Yo, let's go, Buzzblap.
Yeah.
What's up, EQ Clips? What's good, bro?
Oh, we got a piece of 930 bleeder on NAS. Nice. Clean move coming down, eh?
Yeah. Very.
NAS down, gold up. It's caramel. I hit him with the llama. I'm on vacation. Nice.
Hey.
Oh yeah. Still watching the streams. Let's go. Entrepreneurs, they work on vacation. You know, they life is vacation. Right? It's just a different location. It's not a vacation, it's a different location. So you can still do the same work, make your money, nothing changes. That's the cool part about trading is you're recession proof, you're weather proof, you're time proof, location proof. You can do this anywhere.
And I think the best part of it all is there's no salary cap. You can make however much you want in a year. And life.
Yeah.
But yeah, you saw me when I was on vacation, Nick. I still pulled
There
up.
you go. Exactly. Kid's life's a kid went on vacation and then he took a vacation from vacation. Sheesh.
Yo, seriously.
Then he got back from vacation, but technically he's still on vacation.
That's how you want to live. And it's a perspective, y'all.
Entrepreneurship.
Who cares about what I got?
Go for it.
Yep.
Traffic proof. Yeah, you need that. Man, me and Joe sat in some rush hour traffic yesterday. Oh my goodness.
Damn, really?
Haven't been out there
That's
at that
that.
time in a while.
That's that evening tea time.
Yeah, chat. I think we're done here. I think our time is up. What time is it? 9:49. What do you guys think?
I'm good. I'm probably gonna see what's good at 10 a.m., but I don't really know. See how it close.
Yeah, we can
think
wait
it
for a
looks the best.
closure. Yeah, let's wait. We'll wait for a closure.
Yeah, so golf was fun, right? You're feeling it?
Yeah, golf was lit yesterday. I played really good. By the way, I played in flip-flops yesterday. I forgot my cleats at home. Played
Did
the
you-
best game of my life.
Did you go barefoot or no?
Nah. Nah, I played
Damn,
in
alright.
flip-flops.
I guess you could play in flip flops and still be good.
I almost let that mess my whole game up on the ride there. I was a little frustrated, forgot my cleats. Could have let that tear the whole day apart. But I was like, you know what? Maybe I'll play even better with no cleats.
Yeah. Way to change your perspective.
What broker do I use? I use a broker called Tradeovate. It's a futures broker. Thanks for the time and lessons. You're welcome, Nicholas. Have a great day. What a name.
Peace. Peace, Nicholas.
Nicholas Santa Maria. Wow. That's powerful.
That's a great
bro.
name.
That boy risen.
It's Riz o'clock.
It's Riz o'clock over there. No shoes, no shirt. Oh, Louis G's birthday this weekend. Is that right? Is that right?
Awesome. Happy early birthday, bro.
Go, 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 go.
The cool thing too, Louis G, about like working on vacation is like if you're on the Eastern time zone, like it's in the morning, you know. So before you're even doing anything with your day, the work day is over.
Yeah. Yeah, that's another thing I love about trading is most of this is done during the morning. Like it's 10 a.m. here. 10 a.m.
Yeah,
already made
exactly.
$500 on my cash account. Already profited on my other ones. I mean, where else can you do stuff like this?
Yeah, exactly.
Do I pay for the Tradeovate? Yeah, I do. Yep. I pay for the data and I pay for the TradingView connection.
That's not much though. It's like 20 a month. It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not. I think I pay like $12 a month altogether. So it's really not that bad at
Yeah.
all. Maybe 15. I don't know.
Actually, now that you say 12, I think you're right. Yeah, that's what mine is. Yeah.
Yeah. West Coast Trading's fire. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Done by 7 a.m. Yeah, word. B-Days next week. All right, Jason C. Why don't you observe the DXY? I don't know. No reason. Sometimes I'll look. Most times I won't. I'm not sure.
Missed the first trade, stopped on the second. Drawdown now is 5% on my challenge account. Needs some positivity. All right, here's your positivity. You can operate the way a casino does, so you can make that right back, bro, on the next best trade. So that's why I don't want you to dwell on this trade. I want you to stay steady and come back to either later today or tomorrow and look for the next best trade. And by doing that, you can operate like the casino because you'll naturally just make that money back by focusing on your plan and the next best trade.
Yep.
So that's some positivity for you. Surround that with some positive words and some thoughts, and you'll be good.
Yep. Where do I live? I live in Florida. Florida, USA. Wait, you don't use MT4 platform? Nah, I don't use MT5 or MT4. We can't use that in the US anymore. So now I use a futures platform.
Yeah, SGH, facts, bro. Like, who cares when it happens? All we know is that it's gonna happen, and we're gonna stay present.
Yeah, one trade at a time. No matter what, if you're up 5%, down 5%, the best thing you can do is just show up and wait on the next best trade. And then take that trade and trade that trade. And then the next best trade, the next best trade. Like today we took our trade, we traded it, right? We took our buy, we wanted to close at the range, and that was it. You know, we took it, and if runners run, that's great too. If not, that's great too. And now we just wait for the next best one. So then we got this one, right? We took the sell here. We traded that trade, right? What I mean by that is in that trade, we had some pretty clean move coming down, 50 pip range towards 2467. But in the trade, we also had about a 14 pip advantage point. So if I didn't trade this trade and I just say, I'll take 50, we would have got stopped out there, right? So just focus on trading each trade for what it is, locating the advantage points, the TPs, the TP1s, TP2s, and just stay dialed in. Follow the plan.
100%.
Follow the plan. Stay composed. Winners follow the plan, no matter how they feel. Just consider that. Well, I don't feel like doing it. Well, no one said you had to feel like doing it. You just got to do it. So that's what winners do. So I want to be a winner. I know you want to be a winner. So we got to do what winners do.
Amen. That's your job as a trader.
Blew my account last week because of self-discipline. Yeah. That's what I mean. It's a mind game. Everything's a mind game. So you win in the mind, and you gotta fall in love with that process of trading that setup for what it is and not for what you would hope it to be. I would have hoped we could have got down to 50 pips, but I wasn't gonna let this advantage point. I wasn't gonna ignore that just because I wanted something. So yeah, gotta do it anyway. Potential fade. Maybe. We'll see.
So hard because we don't know where the daily and 4 hour, where are they? Where are they going? There's no really target. So
yeah.
Nothing to really look back at.
Yeah, that's the issue. The issue is we're so bullish, right? We're so bullish, especially after all that happened with Trump. We're so bullish here on gold. So it's tough to fade over the last couple. That's why it's been a little tough to fade over the last couple days. How many of you guys tried attempting fades and got popped over the last couple days? Notice how it hasn't been fading. So we're extremely bullish, right? So we really don't want to take sells, but at the same time we're also extremely high up that we don't want to take buys. So it gets very difficult, and that's what happens when you're in these all-time highs. It gets tricky for a couple days. So if you can survive and walk away with money, that's a really, really good day. Yeah. We don't know if we're going to fade from here, right? Because if we break that high, we'll just continue going. You don't really want to mess with gold when it's in this rally state, right? This is flow state right now for gold. Just rallying. So we'll see. We got a closure in 1 minute.
Doesn't look good though.
Yeah, that's true. Lights fire. Yep. Congrats to all you guys trading all-time highs for your first time ever. W.
Get it.
Bring out the Clippers, Louis G. Bring out the clips. All right, there it is. Broke. You witness history again, chat. All-time highs. Broken.
Lovely. All right, time to prove to ourselves that we can trade around all-time highs.
Yeah, we've done it. We've done it quite a bit. I mean, we've traded all of this. Even all this over here. Remember these all-time highs? Remember these ones?
Yeah, of course.
This was 2020, 2022, and then 2023. And then 2024 started where January. Yeah, so now this is all new highs here this year.
Sure.
Yeah, not only did you get to see, or not get to, but not only did you see a assassination attempt on the president of the U.S., but you also see gold cracking highs, man. What a time to be alive. All right,
Sure.
So I'm not fading this, man. I'm gonna be waiting for a closure before anything. I'm not gonna fade here, just not the right time for me. I'm just gonna wait. If you get a bearish closure below, then I'm interested. But that's gonna take about 30 minutes. So fade at your own risk in these all-time highs. I'll wait for a closure back below the range here, and then see if we can come down a little bit later. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
So yeah, give me a call or something later.
Will do.
I bet. Chat, hope you guys have a blessed day and a great day. Remember, your perspective is your reality, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.
I like that.
All right. Yes, sir, brother.
All right,
Peace,
man.
dog.
I'll see you later.
Peace. Stay blessed,
Later.
chat. Peace.
Yeah, great stream. Yeah, good stream here today, chat. We'll come back at it tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. I believe we have some more news coming in tomorrow. Right? News. We got some red folders. Yeah, we got unemployment claims, and we got mainly just unemployment claims tomorrow. So, yeah, we'll have some news around 8:30, and then that should rock things tomorrow. It should be a pretty high volume day. And then, yeah, we'll just take it easy now and took our win and sit back, relax, and wait for the next opportunities here. Cool. Yeah. All right, man. Love y'all, chat. Good job today. Way to be disciplined. Way to continue to learn. Good, asking great questions and moving along in your trading career. It's just a matter of time before it's your time. So love y'all. Hope you guys have a great day. Mods, thank you guys for all that you do. You guys are so awesome, so special. Everybody else, you guys are so awesome and so special as well. All right. Love y'all. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good work today, chat. I'm out. Peace. Later. Glory to the Father. Peace.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get there with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, 'cause you deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. 100.
Yeah, thinking that it happened overnight, it didn't. In it for the long haul flight, committed. Wanted me to fail out of spite, I didn't. All bark but they don't bite, they timid. Thinking that it happened overnight, but it didn't. In it for the long haul flight, I'm committed. Wanted me to fail out of spite, but I didn't. All bark but they don't bite, cause they timid. Look, wait. I got people trying to wish and pray that I'ma fall about it, all about it till we spoke in person. Don't wanna talk about it now, huh? Oh, you sound tough, toying with them, don't get wound up. How you wound up? Another number in the round up. Put the town up, I built this thing up from the ground up. And if I bounce up, I get my crown stuck. Green light go, got the east side flow. I'm a giant in the space like FIFA4. All the kids sing along like EIO. Every time when they see my show, thinking that it happened overnight, yeah, didn't. In it for the long haul flight, committed. Wanted me to fail out of spite, I didn't. All bark but they don't bite, they timid. Thinking that it happened overnight, but it didn't. In it for the long haul flight, I'm committed. Wanted me to fail out of spite, but I didn't. All bark but they don't bite, cause they timid. Look,
esto es talento y favor and you got no skill. I got drive, baby, ustedes son roadkill. Yeah, ya te dije, no están en mi carta perder. De pequeño estoy ungido, baby, y ese es mi flex. No me dieron nada por los míos, José. 360 is your deal, man, I couldn't be me. Pa' mi frequency, te frequently. Matando esto con sabor y efficiency. No gasto tiempo, waste no time, not my money. Boss, baby, CEO del LLC. Lo tengo en un pánico. Dale rápido, quiero crecer y dar más fruto, algo botánico. Lo hice bien orgánico. Tomé el maquinón. Voy subiendo como espuma y tú bajando bien titánico. Out my way, I built this in a day. But you know I'm here now to stay. I'm hungry, boy, I'm not here to play.
thinking that it happened overnight, it didn't. In it for the long haul flight, committed. Wanted me to fail out of spite, I didn't. All bark but they don't bite, they timid. Thinking that it happened overnight, but it didn't. In it for the long haul flight, I'm committed. Wanted me to fail out of spite, but I didn't. All bark but they don't bite, cause they timid. Look, wait.
I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no luck. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no luck. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm
Down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy making big moves. Tick-tock, turn it to a tick, boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff, probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where?
I was down, but now I'm up.